haven't done that. Good.
Atiano ya command do wani HMA na chese Sharika Jackson apomode etmiera tukani na bo manema da yepa etmiera man kama to tiano eda yera man 200 meters no o ye djuma man na ma da di soro etmiera man na ne Ivory Coast ni ba ye friend Mario Jose Talu enso apomode etmiera presi second anema eda di soro etmiera man no nso na didi di nkoma akra on this year no sere ne ma si command on same no di tuja
for the strength that they gave me. And in return that I just want to come and just enjoy myself because I didn't know what I was qualified for the 200. I didn't do as much 200 this year and then do 22:10 like season best. I mean next year will be great. I know that.
Atiano ya command do wani HMA na chese o se Mario Talu apomode atugani na maboa manema da yepa etimiera man mun komono ye di erom na boa na to na koye so etimiera man tetem so no in association football ye ndidi di nkoma akra e na pano ne to anim se niema didadia na chese Al Nassr bobo no chena omobo modena di Asian Champions League no omoramo Iran na netima ye former Persepoise so money omode akọ ani na boa manema da di so no etimiera man alaka mamire Iran kakra ni na so mobo modi omo street no so no o wesere nyama esietia na jezi ebeba weni e fansa anope omakọ akọ dompema omo twense Cristiano Ronaldo enene mrante ne beba ababe wram na omanya akonya etimi emiti omo na aboama totua na da yepa etimi edi amoma na re wosema esan ewomne se ne akrare so abako se wakọ akọ Ramo airport na ajo ni Cristiano Ronaldo na nko bepe so beko akọ shiare amana kwan na su a akwada ni su no ano edimpa
چرا گریه میکنی؟
برای که ما اومدیم اینجا از کارش خونمون هم اینجا از هتل گرفتیم بیان کانال‌ها رو ببینیم این همه بچه به گریه انداختن ولی بازم اینا قبول نمی‌کنن ما هتل
نمیذارن عمو جون وقتی نمیذارن ببینیشون
خودتون می‌دونن
Tianu ye so na akwara reso na pomoti ani na mo so atumu sampa ano aye din ye papa ni na mo na mo amane mande da di soro e famanizanze Cristiano Ronaldo e nipa ba kwa check ni ye papa ni wati se oba ne mpatam na okọ etimi akwa na security personnel na security for na wona so mo man kwan e ma ni ram na akwara reso no abomodi esu ebo amane manda ye soro etimi ede ma no na ma me fans na o mabodom peme wo airport ano ho a ano mo ye siu ni nyina ne se o mo giri ze Cristiano Ronaldo ba e wo so mo ba nyaba be hia no na o mo re na ebo amane ma ko yere ma na se ni siete Atiano ye do wani echemo Iran importer mo eguso ekoso ani nyina no ebo amane ma da yepa etimi ere mo na ebobo me ode ma hwetan mu kakra ni nyina ne se ne omo na ebo mo de etimi abom na so no omo welcome no ya de ano edin papa be boss a wodo na e na ne yetimi edi abobo bokroma e Chelsea mpa ne ma de dia big game no ewra mo chena omo ne Al Nassr boboko no etimi edi abo ani timma me picture na ya bo modin a ye de boss a wodo na abobo bobo so wa Chelsea mpa a big match no ne ya de a baba be ramna boama ne ma dadi pa etimi edi amana me no kasa no team na touch down e wo Iran mpatamo omo baba be du ye no o join e kakra na so no warre sere ne ma nesiate eti Al Nassr team no e na ma bomo de etimi ran to onze Alex Telles na Cristiano Ronaldo and the Centrales kamo any other ones no mo everema ni nyina mo no mo reso mbe boana hihye no adaye kama per etimi ara mo no chena the Asian Champions League no omo jomo na so etimi ayejuma yemfio ne mra ne ma medi komo store yera so jomo Saudi Impatama, Menyani Tiaz in the Red Bull for Nashase, Edidi Como, Nancomonimo, almost Saudi Club, ye from Real Club, no, Omo Peso Moba, Neba Befa, na Omutimi Edi or Motiana Babe Tima, Ejamu Ediamo, Saudi Arabian Patamo, na Buama Shishano, Akuye Kama Sono, Etimiera Momo Yembra, Emame Ramo Europe near Ninkoma, Crowns and Yambochna, and as you were for Champions League, Elsa returning na Lacazette, Mamia Clariswana, na Ore Derby Madonina, no, na MSA Interfor no ebo modia na no mo hihye go na akra we ni esimila mfana asem na rawiye papa di go ba ko be na akwara no ne buafu wa ro na tade no na wo resere ne mesi ko giri se de esi buru ni team no e ya de no edin ye papa ni nyina mo ne mboa e man totua ne ko yi soro etimi emfama no tie no e Milan fan ba ko a ebo modia etimi ero ma onkomo no ye di ero mo kama pa etimi era ma ne ero mo Milan no ye ndidi nkomo wa no pe no o mo training no na jipene etimi ero ne hu se Zlatan Ibrahimovic Ibrahimovic Ibrakadabra niama de dia ma no soro etimi awon Mila Nilo ne Obana wababa support team no na boa amane ma da di peda mom Zlatan na rival no after no obenya kwana Ramo na Mila Nilo no wakwa training na ne eljepene na etimi akoso na wa mama enjoy esimla no mu training ne kakra ni nyina so mo so boabo mo anyambo chena omo no Newcastle United boboko no ena de babani a eba bebo ma hwehwe na koye pa etimi edia mo na ntoto no ada de era mo after say ne Inter echi omo bo meka no mako enuma na cheso omo netimi atimu mienu a na no edin ye papa ye di era metimi era mane ase nyambo chena oro ani chemu a Silver Sword no ayo magense Sandro Tonali ayo former player okono omunya best 70 million euros na no edin papa tigema ebeto dwa 445 no ombeba babi ramo ene Sandro Tonali ba ombeje pene etimi abona chidomo ama ne fans awodo na etimi ama na kwaba ni na nso omugiri se ejuma ba neba be de ma club na ofioko ekoko ramu ebu ejuma etimi erema Newcastle United no ejuma mo soro omani etimi so yi papa ti no ye de aba be Roma e di eramu soro etimi erama na nyambo Manchester United game okoda ne ama de de omo ene Bayern Munich bu ani no yes Swedish refia ye friend Glenn Nelbeck ena ne no ye timi apa no so mbra nema mejamo etimi ambo ejuma we di 34 years no mo so ndi Bayern game bi ada UEFA Champions League no mpre no makum mienu a we kan ho a miensa na wanya akonya ababa be jamo edi game na boama ne madadi soro etimi ara mama na Bayern no maso ya no anopro wani chemo Sabana Straza training no etimi akoso aniji 70 seconds Likuman ena feso no Rafael Guerrero mo ba neba be join group no eni omo training e metetete se Leon Goretzka ena fe Dayo Upamecano entimi an join group no ti anu ye de aba be Romano Peno medi tujwe etimi ara mana mamenko enkoko Roma France na me nin komo kakra dia niama de dia 11 p.m. Ghana time no eno ya 1 p.m. France time no ene pen friend Maquinho Sebeko akwa Kushian Centrofo oni Luis Enrique na omodidi nkomo didi no eyo game omo ne Dortmund na de bebo ani no eno mo hwe na ye didi nkomo na boa amane madadie pa etimi ara mo na no pe no omo training no etimi ekoso o wesere ne City president ye friend Nasser Al Khalifi ene pen friend Luis Campos omoko ne kokoram to join ya o ze video no ne daso a ebo amane madadie pa etimi ara mo training no mate si asi no di nyamukiele ene fe bi ti se Fabian Ruiz ene afe no Lee Kanglia na hwe Prano Adokro mo no join group no ni omo training ya na mo squad no omo ntimi make no Nuno Mendes Marco Asensio ena Preston Kimpembe still ahode no entimi amba emfa mo so mbeba ababe jama bo ejuma etimi ara ma team no ne Roma France no na ebobo me wa ma Fabio Grosso ye confirm de man na no ne se niema de dadia ena no pe ne ebepa no ntuma na wa baba be sian central for ne omo etimi didi nkomonti press conference no egusu ekoso Fabio Grosso former Italian international obojuma etimi ara ma Juve ejuma ara ma Palermo bojuma etimi ara ma Inter esan ye ejuma de ma Lyon as a footballer ere wakwa baba nyaba be jama as a coach no obabe buana ne ma de yepa etimi edi amom ntia no soro edi aba nyaba be todwa me di eramu soro etimi ara ma na me Ramos Spain kakra na me didi komo Barca soro eboabo mo niama de dadia UEFA Champions League no mo soro Anytima ye form Royal Antwerp Penede Elbebo ni ti aropeno oro ni chemu ewo one Gampa Ciutat Esportiva oze training no na nyano edin ye papa omo baba be chance no mo bonchenku enchenku omo poe no eni se Ronald Araujo ene prana nyonya ye no okoye no wasiaba enti omo bonchenku ana cheso ne na manfia na omo ebru na chisa ni nyina mo no na ebo amane madadi soro etimi ara mo no so omo hwe so October 28 omo game omo ne Real Madrid baba eye Clasico no omoso omo rese ne Pedri ebeba no waba be jam no aboa na ne ma de ye pa etimi edi amom ntie no enkoma aba be todwa me no kase no Atletico Madrid for so no omo nan sequence omo ko akwako Ramo Ilim Potamo na aboa ma ne ma da ye so etimi era omo so ro ebe jom na so a omo ne SS Lazio ne de ebebo ani a UEFA Champions League game ano edi ye papa no pe no omo confirm se Thomas Lemar ni prano bo mo de nya ne weekend no entie ne cheso beko akwako Sergio after surgery no yes 4 to 6 months no so ekwa transfer otimi buejuma entimi enfam omontine squad omo de kwa Ramo Ili no yere to so na hwa na jazemran te bi ti se kagia so yonchu ni di no nyanya de se kan okoki ono so kan Memphis Depay Thomas Lemar Ronaldo and Rodrigo de Paul mu ina no e players ani no omo entimi am make cut no ana squad ekwa Ramo Ili no mabuejuma etimi era mo na mehwe Estelo de Santiago Bernabeu kakra de di kan no mame Bernabeu seat no luta baba be de mao Zomba bomodi no mu seat no masesa no ahead of game omone Real Sociedad de bebo ani no to join here who's a Bernabeu seat no ya bomodi netimi asesa na epo amane madadi pere no VIP no after the new Bernabeu ne baba zero ade ne kejiwa ano edim brutal to join here na ra otumu ze VIP no okọ na wo scan ko ade am nyubedidi na wa mi say tamezanze juma Madrid for no nya bomodi etimi aye no eye juma ano edin ye papa ni na mo no epo amane madaye kama pa so no etimi ede momo a yeri mu nkomo no eromo so no etimi era ma na po na ne madadi dempa na embra ema me romo England no so no yenre kakra na ma me Everton no mo record o ma ye na fi yes season 2023-2024 the world season for our club no mo issue no amabo de etimi enya amabo 5 matches o mo win bi o mo draw back no mo lusu mako 9 o mo hwe goals ni mienu nya hwe goals no mako nkono etimi reti o mo ntia chazampa Everton ya dia ano edie papa na weekend in Manchester United niam ankoye omo transfer ma Brighton Nova bi onaba neba bebo mo mensa omo ntimi antena ma metama na yabo modern Rasmus Holland ye yina fi mu no na United fans na ehuru coach ye friend Erik ten Hag ni na ene zo mo giri sesere niam esia kono sere totuero esia tie no oyo penpe bia o timi ambo mo after no na wa ma me viva Ronaldo ezanzo trafo na enya de keto akra na jeze na de na no edimpa no mujiri se Cristiano Ronaldo ye kofo ya fe no na Ronaldo na kanea ma kose bone ni ade aka obo modena wetimi asesa na Media United boboko na ene viva Ronaldo na jeze omo bomode de ram na boama na madadi para one player ye criticizing the player Andre Onana yes you join club no na sa ya bo short na ahye no na monjoine na Media Onana e emezo no don ti obi aka ezu unu ya na bomode ache no wife asiwa na jeze o sign itinama no na video we ba Bontina United for no modja ni nyina zo mo si akwa we aso de edi agro hwenhyara mfa no team no omode mo no kra ya bibio na abehwe na wopoa na niam de da di pretimi era maye no ino mo hye wi na ye niam bia emmo ma ntoto ne da di soro etimi afama club no tie no ye de aba beto ya na Chelsea aso ye no Roberto Mauricio Pochettino edidi di komo akra o si emotionally niam na ekoso no ya de bat munya abotre
doing very good things, more than the people can expect. But Chelsea expectation is about to win. I told you before the season, Chelsea is about to win. We are creating something that we need to believe. Young guys that need to feel what it means to be a player of Chelsea player, and of course what it means to play in Premier League. I can understand the emotion. Football is about the emotion. The emotion was, of course, to complain because we didn't win, but nothing more. The fans, for sure, they are going to help the team Sunday to win again Aston Villa.
Atiano ya command prempa ye friend Mauricio Pochettino diaba ababa betu ya cheze womze ya result ne manamo no fansiri nyanto base no moye nemboa emane mandade de pa na ne ro place a prepare na adena no edin kakra yeso kika ska no kraboma e ya rambe se friend million irusa na chesa no edin papa ti se na tie ye Christopher Nkunku ne nkotodwe Amando Broja ne nkotodwe Reece James so ne sure baby no ena etwetwe no ye Wesley Fofana no so no ne nkotodwe Kanichuku Emeka ono so ne nkotodwe Trevor Choloba Nishomo baby no and a chicken na Bienno Bedia Shelley or no so no Nishomo baby no and a chicken Moises Caicedo Ninkoto J and Afe Romeo Lavia on the crab no buy and Yades a wabobi or no swab of the 8 million pra other players Eprano your Marcus Bettinelli or no Epra Noni Madweke and Afe Marco Kureya at your moon a players on Modina Nababe Rama and Eprano Ediomunya a man called for Kika say Chelsea no or Mujiri se Bala Kibine Romamba Amanda da Yusoro Etimi Efa Momoa na chesa no edin papa no pe no ye bo modern ye de Mikel Arteta and ebianze weekend in ye dan Aaron Ramsdale obo modern ede no etimi atra be Jose ni team no opese position bia no nya mienu no and ebebo ama competition ya makoyi amomo.
The sport, I don't have the guarantee the sport. We here to perform at the highest level and to contribute with our best capacity to win games, you know, and that's what we have to do, and it's no different for anybody. And if we set ourselves those standards. Whatever happens externally is never going to be bigger than that.
Atiano ya command open pana pomo de area to jani na mo boa emane ma de da ye pa etimi ede emomo amun komono ye di eram na hihye no so ro akoye etimi era mana ili kakra e no woni chemo juve o maso ya empefo na confirm se niam enso de da dia enche ombabo mo de na Dusan Vlahovic ne contract no ye etimi extending na terie omoze na no mo game mo boye against Lazio no ne gene ba o omugidi se goals na oboni sika no gina fibia no e wo so mo ye no mo pejam na boa emane ma dadi pa no mo so mo ne Lazio game no ejuma nei no Manuel Lucatelli ko ekoko boy no say ejuma na no beba o me be transfer no officially no contract no yetimi extending aboa amane ma de ye pa etimi era ma no to 2027 no so ye dia ba ababe Romano Pino me di tuju etimi era ma na po baba sensem no still Pogba anya de say ya bo modern kan sem ne ti na teni ye ye se juwe fo no so mo ta Pogba chi o mo giri se sere niam nesi akono e wo so mo support to Abrante Rezanze du de dia e na nwa do fo na mo no e ba ne se sample B test ne ba no Ophelia no so a ombetimi ene na transfer na contract no ya bomode na ya terminate na aboa na ne ma de da ye kama so ro etimi era ma no tie no ye de aba betu ya na me so no Mamisa Ramos is answer bomode a Estero Ramon Sanchez Pijuan after so many years no onya first game etimi era ma Sevilla emro mo ne Las Palmas seri bueni no na after the game no announce Ramos abomode Ramos de Desuma obomode na wacha chamrante etima me na mo me kwa de ba per Michael Akomia Jamfi ebe chance na de akebia ato aso de amamo
Wahese wakosho akodi dwa hodo baskets ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante e me chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me kire say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ehia obeya de say obedale *110# netua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so Nia
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
The first days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you can walk away with a grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
Studying abroad can be tough. Top tier Study Abroad Consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amakum, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrade office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Ifia Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you ranks to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Introduce introducing Pick 4 from Game Park Games, the easiest lottery to play and win. Pick 4 numbers from 0 to 9 up to 3 times a day to become one of our daily winners. More moolah, more power. Play online at www.gamepackgames.com or dial *946# to play. Game Park Games is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18. Play responsibly. Pick 4 from Game Park Games. More moolah, more power.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. O how bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya me ya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no nso beda so ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da so ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oje aware Royal Foam. What man nanny relaxation aye de. Awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress aye papa. Eche ye aye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots ewo Ghana fana nyina. Free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Suma onyamija.
Ai, onyamija no beso. Omayini yaw edubuachi. Onyame akoa. Yeah, we pray. What it to me asene. We are free food for thought. Adishie nyina. Any ankwankwa bi how done so. September Liberty Conference. Epebaso. The Bebaso Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries. Kumasi at Harper Road. Asamu ayakasa ho. Ye free asuma fose. Etie di ono mochi. Jamumi no. Akopem yensa. Acts chapter 28 verse 2 to 3. Shanenson. Say where ye burning of arrows. Part 2. Anopano sia pepepepe. Kopem Brown, Kunkru Bejaye, a 30th September, Kumasi Atum, Harper Road. Ajum to Friday Jum to Beji Jumedia Papa, Minister Sete Champo, Yamami Mabel Archery, any resident worshipper, Minister Kwame Jedu, Wabet Sujum, Aji Jumedia Papa, and Trafi, so how be those, Amani Bedaus, or Dan Ebidaus, a really Onyamidi to me, Amani boy, or mine, Shaw Eduwatch, Nasada, no Bronsamso, now Benya Pa, Esani say, Onyanko Ponga, Abraham Hunich, not soon it to take off from, what do you Quadumam, can or dance, what pay you, Yamima, Edia, who fed the Ebecoya fee, Bra, Liberty Conference, September edition. Oh, glory, hallelujah.
All right, your mobile day now, it's me and Twasona, the Akibiamra, quick one on our birthday special now, Yemi Ramana Bibia, it's me and that is so happy birthday in Quemfama, Miami Capus. Now, Ejumari Omobobipa, Alfred Marfo, and Abet Marfo. Bako, your friend, 2 things. Now, 2 things, you know. And I was there, na me phone ye kakra na matenen kano. So 2 things radical pa ne ayo da ne sere ne mesi kona ne mande da di performa na ashes zoro also nyamisha di atane ata Alfred Mafo na Abet Mafo. Happy birthday Ramu intimi fama. Yanku ya ne the other ones no. Messi Sega Asumani Orwani HM ewo pankrono atimatima ona o Dr. Abedi Kwara so AK police ni na drosi enko enfama na nyamisha papa na bibi aso de da yeso no etimi enfama ebi nkwa enfama Victor Vades Orwani chimo DBBA hona Victor Vades so no e wonti Victor eni ayo da no nyamisha na bibia eramu kama so intimi enfama na ebi ramu intimi emfa Emma Constable Heyman John Boache Ghana Police Service Cape Coast Kejobi or Sompa TV na ninuano no ntine unuano zeramu fama Constable na nyamisha papa na niamande da yeso na enfama na ebi nkwa enfama Fosu Dennis so no ene Dennis na oda Dennis nyamisha papa na ayoda no niamande da ye kama pa entimi enfama ontino maame kona me man emra na omabeto aso etimi afa dimiza hwe na yewrewra ma na enye ya na yankwa enim tipia we nu tu mame na minya wiye na yankwa enim na niamande da ye so no entimi enfama unze ade we bi na ya me kokko kan ena esise ni se no ba amre no na mate afim na yakwa anim na ne ma deda din pa asra kase ren kwanfa ma aboafo mo ekresi aba na bebetram ye adwuma ma NS Industries ma cancer quality about product no mo na abomode ade aba na ne ba ko a ewo dwama so ankofo di wadanse pe di Ernest ointment ebeboa stretch marks no ye baby girl na wo ho ma kono ne mba ewo so yi fi o na eboa ma honam na ni toso pimple na adwo anim aboso se no you abodwo se enso bi ago na ntama propro ena afi so kra no honam na ni na nso bi agera aboso a Ernest ointment be na aboa ma ne ma koyera ma so tiwi ni ntimi mfu a onye bi na de fa time beboa na etimi efu na aboa ma ne ma dadi baby girls no asio no white no ne ade ni dunya o de kakra bo asawa na de afa abon se be na aboa na nyema de da yeso etimi era momo na de awake nature capsules na be ye de ma ne mema eboa ma ye immune system no etimi ama ni gina ekon editi ayaye bia waye mre wo mpemu ewanso fita bifo ade ni mu ba o ye brema prostate ni man ko ojo so bre na afi no low libido bosome so bun se kauje ne niam akeka kari na be na awake nature capsules na etimi de fio o ye pemfo a untimi nom o ma akwara no fo untimi nom na afo nya numfie dumienu a untimi nom fo mo number no 0245 079 915 0245 079 915 na 0276 537 701 0276 537 701 Accra Okanshi Drug Lane Pharmacy bi obi anya bi call for you dia Gabson Pharmacy The Life Pharmacy and fam ngorwani HMA na Jeze Drug Right Pharmacy and Penol Pharmacy and Koko Uskopi Pharmacy Hillside Pharmacy BB Pharmacy Kaswa Trap of Judah and Kumasi Dani Heba Misty Heba Kolina Keba Habme Pharmacy and Chris K Kotna Koko NS Herba Industry Munupa no ano edin tuma akomiana bibia woko de weekend is unya ni ye.
Oh yes, it was good.
O weekend is good.
Oh yes, it was very
good. Why you no cry ni ye ma me na me say me share that to kai so we na de ni ye yaro aba betra se ama ma me hwe na fa ben wa yi ni ma fa ben wa yi na nkasa ma me
okay
ewu ya kwa koso kakra ma me meza star ha me wo video ma pa this ma me hade akomi azo won ye
nya me adom me we
ya kaza is ode kagum me ho adwuma wa
sa
weekend is na ye de
na ye pa
ma me ho adwuma
why ho adwuma ti ana na pesoti ti na obusa me atoto so weekend na wo ye weekend
de bi na me pese me testimony we de dama yeah and apostle we no yeah me pe quality sound
over there
quality sound me pe situation whereby bia unimro
oh abudi abina do ma me nkasa na
odo mra ye try test mark 1 2 onko animu
ma me nkasa na
kasa na enko ani
yes over the weekend interestingly you enjoy some few games from the Italian Serie A, you enjoy some games in the Spanish La Liga and then the English Premier League. To start it off, you best start with Napoli and Genoa. Now people are beginning to ask a lot of questions around Rudy Garcia. Say obefa Napoli a team no as a morning resource nation down koyi said your city penal. But Abu withstanding any other thing no almost 7 points. Definitely 5 points off what I expect to say and come to me achieve some of the better A league in the top. And now Omubo a huge game and you could definitely feel said there were some of the results where unfortunately Abu Dhabi the quality of players or more no omunya the output last season omunya especially from players like Kvaratskhelia Ubenya Victor Osimhen then in the absence of Kim Min-jae anka results ebetimi akoye amanioma etimi etumpon e de ama ASC Napoli but our defense na one ne asem no who said the presence of Kim Min-jae in that particular back line no was a huge factor for them last season omu keep a lot of clean sheets and making sure so betimi nya results and hold on na ejina no so and now only one no Abu Dhabi they find it so hard to make sure somebody make it a lot of clean sheets. When they are winning against teams like Sassuolo, Omo concede goal. Omo winning a lot of games that you see some concede goals. Omo draw compound, they are conceding goals, and this is a huge problem for Rudy Garcia to actually deal with. And they have blunders Omo cause during the game now. The highlight in the screen is so you can enjoy it with us and you fully understand. Say Napoli team now that Rudy Garcia will need to do a lot of things to make sure somebody make up. Omo concede first 2 goals and Abu. Area draws no na hebo na cover set pieces na say ekuti oma nyoma enkoyi enfama SSC Napoli. Can Rudy Garcia overturn this? It's a big question, but me to me say pen history in the Italian Serie A, no, only obi or winner gidi with the Italian Serie A. Rudy Garcia is not that winner in the Italian Serie A. On J trophies ahudo bebre. Spalletti laid down a certain level of mark there also to me. A conclusion so betimi meet that particular standards in the bar on Timmy and yes sir. And Abu Mosimen so some can walk akra. Let me say Napoli here at this time around more than any other thing to make sure say results or Monsa ebetimi aka. Now na yaba ku Rome Juventus. The big question you are asking is can Juventus compete AC Milan, Inter Milan or Napoli for the league title? I think they are making a mark for themselves. And Juventus, despite all the issues move facing in the Italian Serie A and Abu Dhabi, look at the kind of results they are getting. The 3-5-2 is working so well. The partnership between Federico Chiesa and Dusan Vlahovic, Abu, pace, agility, strength, finishing, you can get it from these particular players. Sideline that Ubenya, the likes of Kostic, some who put in the crosses, and these particular crop of players. Allegri. Obian himself be a defensive tactics or more a lot of things because we were teaming more players been in issues last season. But he has started the season so well and he's getting the best out of these particular players. Look at these goals and the chances that they were creating. They were all over Etima, Yefremo, Lazio the other time. And when you say Lazio, one team of Muhammad Lazio had Juventus, Luis Alberto, Chiro Immobile, Daichi Kamada. On the day, they were solid enough, but trust you me. The partnership of Dusan Vlahovic and Chiesa, it is the beginning of something fresh at Juventus. And I'm looking forward. Say, team say, betimi hard during the Italian Serie A. Juventus will be part, and those two players will play a key role in it. And Chiesa have done it for a Juventus. Abu, you're moving on. Roma had all their players fit for this particular weekend. It's Brian Cristante, Renato Sanchez, and Orlando Paredes. The 3-man midfield Jose Mourinho has been looking forward to. Said this is not able in the absence of Nemanja Matic. Now, Renato Sanchez, Abu Dhabi, Renato Sanchez, them say, oh, fit. We are midfield and also your opponent. I wouldn't love to play against him. He is strong, tall, ball retention was through. He creates a lot of spaces for himself and he does a lot of good job for the opponents. And against opponents, ultimately creating chances a lot. And the man the team will see a kind of moment, they share a lot of goals. Now, can this midfield go on and make sure so bet me a boy? Ama a Roma fan and to my party friend. I feel say if they are all fit. From what we saw yesterday, Obi show this season with that particular 3-man midfield of Brian Cristante, Renato Sanchez, and Leandro Paredes is also going to be in trouble. Almost creating an attacking partnership, and also we will compete the others in terms of winning the league title and also playing the Champions League next season. Romelu Lukaku and Paulo Dybala, my oh my, and the combination between the two. We just turn the one watch the other opponent, so the Dybala moving to space. We Piambo and the Amano. I think so. Roma. Those two players to be fatal. Going into the season, they will add a lot. Jose Mourinho after the game, say Romelu Lukaku fit into the star of person. So just imagine that Romelu Lukaku. This was a partnership that Inter Milan were looking forward to have. Last season, Abraham Paulo Dybala. No more no more Pony Lukaku partnership. No, and when you want to say Lautaro Martinez, any of the and Roma have it, and they give them 7 goals. And I'll met me Jose Mourinho Abaso say when you're there or share and they're free on them. AC Milan, Inter Milan, the problem still remains. And Abu, it's experience over a AC Milan team. Who is Inter Milan the day? They've kept the core part of their team. They have too much quality within their setup to make sure some betting media activity AC Milan. Yeah, but into this game, purely so on about 3-back systems 2 almost a Roma by 2-1, and almost a Torino by 4-1. It's in the GDA, you say these two teams 3-back and what team are exploiting when you say what 3-back are saying away. But Inter Milan and AC Milan, the difference was quality. Abu say Inter Milan show 1. No more sitting back, fancy good because counter attack, no pressure, no mutisu pressure. Hakan Çalhanoğlu, Henrik Mkhitaryan, Lautaro Martinez, Marcus Thuram. Marcus Thuram has announced himself at the Stadio de Giuseppe Meazza. What truly did at the Google Cinema Baby General Marca say yes. Maybe Papa Italy Bessia Kakakra from Parma to a Juventus. And they maybe bought the blue side of Milan. Maybe a park national. In my first game in terms of Derby della Madonnina, Metimia Bobo they are 2 netimu. And it was such an atmosphere. The goal looked so good. AC Milan tried on baby. I love to shake Abu Dhabi Mufi for Hakan Çalhanoğlu Mkhitaryan. They placed them at their level and they got the results. Now, AC Milan supporters never food. So Pioli nko. But Pioli is having a bad record against Inter Milan. Free so be PMU ewe AC Milan. Abu Dhabi records here that you screen you know. Serie A well lose which is an annual that we born weekend 5 goals to 1. Olusu Champions League semi-final to them 1-0 first leg you know second leg you know Olusu 1-0 first leg Olusu 2-0 Serie A last season 1-0 Super Coppa Ocean 3-0 Italian Serie A and onya the first win that was in 2022-2023 Serie A 3-2 win Abraham Bo home then 2021-2022 Coppa Italia semi-final second leg 3-0 loss first leg you know 0-0 Serie A obeshe 2-1 a draw 1-1 then Serie A 3-0 loss it really listening my body now was Inter Milan 1, 2, 3 only 3 wins against Inter Milan out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14
Already means
happy.
And our draw me.
And our draw me. Jackenina Inter Milan channel. So Stefano Pioli doesn't have a very good record against Inter Milan. Nabu Hoselu was the man of the moment for Real Madrid this particular weekend. One Castle striker from Stevenage. Akopiem Newcastle akwane na mo nu nyina no. And then Carlo Ancelotti say no more lucky bibi wo ani mo no Hoselu brings it to them.
No say like is that no can go she wansem.
Na Benzema no she goes.
Da Benzema no ni ball but Hoselu go no.
Na Benzema no she goes.
Oh go no.
Baby am ne be ya adwene e say a typical penalty box striker. No can striker bi sa no. Or drop it deep Bejibo Hurricane mo kind of play they be no. But this is a typical number 9 striker like Vito Osimhen in the penalty box where our best over ball I was with me pin ball in the shape and he played a key role after some call 1-0 down Abu he was the catalyst for them chances upon chances on one in-law send in-law daddy Kabaya it's more combine it you can enjoy the highlights and the impactor on the Real Madrid and I think so going forward no confidence in the day and be pija Ama Hoselu and more goals at the Real Madrid. So no surprise there with Real Madrid so Muko go down. Then Abu lastly, na me fancy Barcelona against Real Betis 5-0. Joao Felix and Joao Cancelo announced some presence in front of the Barcelona supporters. And Abu Dhabi, you bear witness and fully understand the impact of players be to say Joao Felix and Joao Cancelo in front of their supporters, creating a lot of chances and scoring goals. And the how clinical Joao Felix was in that particular game, and Joao Cancelo how will keep the opponent very quiet in the skill set. And Abu attacking right back. Edru baby cannot make Bielsa. We born there now. We are born there now. We are born there. And he feels that Xavi Hernandez is going in full confidence about this particular Barcelona team, saying in the long run, results. Do they add something? Yes. Joao Felix and Joao Cancelo are changing Barcelona from the game I watched. And Abu on the right hand side, they were solid enough, confidence in terms of creating chances from their fullbacks. Yen name say Barcelona in their history and success story and Xavi Hernandez both team in no. Now my team did you know mona so pana fullbacks in the can be. You can't take Dani Alves out of this particular setup. It's so his Dani Alves is going to be Joao Cancelo. And you look at Joao Felix who also comes into the setup or both from the left or cut it in, shoot much more pace and more retention at the highest level. And I think say how Barcelona City ball no. Until Lewandowski is only a matter of time. They will link up so well and our opponent is going to be in trouble.
Martin.
So Barcelona having a good result this particular weekend.
Martin Medasepa. Now you like that's where you're
Abu BBNC
man. Martin Medasepa. Why? Bishop.
Mira.
Now weekend in a day.
Bibia the din.
Bibia come. Then next year ni abre ofia pa.
Bibia agro. Afena
pa fenanti.
Kai say ko.
Adebre wa hapa.
Bibia na makai bibia na dara na dwolo. Jeffrey how many times? 3 times. Now you need to
yes.
Sunya pa. Fi piba no so I mbone say yan kanche mu se dey na si ni.
Wa da na mu ze penyini ofie ye. About isi de ne ba ya momote no. Na wo se mu pie na ye edwuma. Tie ye edwuma amambo bia so amane akozizi ye edwuma na ye kote ye frefre mo say na sa de na abani na apostle say he. Ye nya de ne sa ye nka ne sa bibia abotre. Tie ne kudu fi kra di manity it. Ameva ne kransi bibi obia. Bishop.
Mira.
Weekend is that yeah.
Baby ada di me hu na ne ha me.
Na Aisha. Na bibi ala betiri Aisha.
Say okay bibi amanya bibi.
How they fire.
Me da CP.
Sompa Sports.
Mrs. Vasti Amankwa Bote and her birthday. Vasti, happy birthday. Vasti, we are fine woman pa. It's so from cra. Chairman also we fine it me kana. Oh, okay. Come on, you need to name Monday as you. Yeah, media go. Yeah,
oh my, had a coin.
So Obama. Mon come before that munya ati anama ko me. Me time near say.
Time. That all be 30 minutes.
Muni atianum obi am block away. Many be cancer kasa on samampom. Mun fan tumano.
And I don't power about ya.
Akumia.
So why dey?
On ntia me bo amano.
There be 7 minutes.
O manu kwa ni mu kakra na de mbo manu kwa ni mu kakra mbo kakra.
Bipia tubala.
Manu kwa ni mu kakra manu. O manu kwa ni mu kakra na.
Sompa Sports.
Messi, waya diaba na wakumatia. Betesia na wakumatia. Mini ya free barda. Ebe duru kumase, sayere baba fife juma. Na ya frame ya tongo, mini ya nasi ya frame atia. Atia.
Kasa grown edu una mobo Mira asemtitia. The continuous attempt to mislead this set of fans ought to stop. And Bobo ni Guy Neville the nsem tuja in a tweet. In tweet na Guy Neville the tuja, and then you get to understand how they are actively trying to shift the blame. Oh, and yes, the Glazers are responsible. It's how it works. You own a business and everything good and bad sits with you. They inherited the best in all areas. They have overseen 10 years of mediocrity off the pitch and on the pitch. They set the culture of greed, ill-disciplined indecision. And Brighton and Manchester United 3-1. With players, how come you know 10 million pounds? 9 out of those players.
Oh, okay.
10 million pounds.
And do 10 million pounds.
9 out of 11 boy, you know. 10 million pounds. Omo Casemiro. Omo Hoyland no bonnie 75.
Yes. Yes.
Now here we are. Guy never say born na a boy, you know. Blame the Empire Glazers.
There's only 20 so for Ghana.
Please. I'm referencing this for a specific reason.
So Casamia me share that crowd bizarre so be for you. Don't see she is.
Mira, but then you hear Brighton team no on paper. Now Manchester United team no on paper. We hear Roberto De Zerbi on paper. Now hear Ten Hag on paper. Yeah, Bobo really a shot 3-1. Hey, honest no mum na. No, those players Manchester United put on the pitch should be able to play Brighton.
For academic purposes, I'm begging you. Darren Evans, the first tweet after that.
Bishop. Me no na kasa o yeko.
Now, on another more serious note, the way and manner or set your more up for abuse no and the
oh, okay.
Before ever start this season.
Yeah.
Into the Okafa Manchester United midfield no. And even comparing it to other teams.
You look at the actual players, let's say United as an example, you got Fernandes, Mount, Casemiro, Eriksen. I think Jurgen Klopp would swap his midfield now for United's. When you look at the
Uti Dina, Mount, Fernandes, Casemiro, and then Omo Mokika Hona, Jurgen Klopp be patch on Waji, Man U midfield no. Now all they have a ball Liverpool. Now it's true because they have the names.
Sompa Sports.
Born your boy.
Parking also.
These boys should be able to go and get themselves dirty. They don't do that. And Obi and Timin can't try. I'm only on coach no. They will find an excuse. Born and try. Referee say, long may this continue. Football na here born. Coaches in from any referees, especially coaches in complaining. Omudi complaining. Now no Honduras league game be na Oreanya tackle be out the call be so no kwaku nyamienim nukreni. Look at this. You don't do this to your colleague player. Look at that. Ha! Nyonko ko prano no kwanya no. The on match there. He's taking 2 people out. Now what kind of tackle is this?
I know Dempa.
I mean, how do you do that? Look at that. So dangerous foul play, baby. Nini opinion penny. That's incredibly sad. Mira, you feel the end twice now in the Nkomo. You go to the Nkomo and Sergio Ramos about the first game at the Sevilla on his return against Las Palmas on record. Let's put this on record. Las Palmas need team be a Bruce be a Patriot say. Name Sevilla and Casano, they are no clean sheet and they were winless this season. Ramos Abba against Las Palmas. Sevilla enya omo first win. You got the picture no so answer about the video. Now you look at Ramos's game in total. he's an unconventional centre back, very confrontational. Aside so nimbo on the bone, so the cast on no of swat or no, even at this age, we send a Ramos at 2. He boots no one be defender nitio. I mean, in the game, on my 90% pass accuracy, 82% area dwells of Aninia, 67% ground dwells, he won it. 1 tackle, a block, 4 clearances, and 6 recoveries. Then Sevilla win 1-0 courtesy Dodi Lukebakio strike. So for the first time this season, Sevilla are winning La Liga game and they've gotten their first clean sheet. The coincidence, Ramos. Obe dressing room on you hear on the players no, they are not on air. Jose Luis Mendilibar and in the technical team, no, as well as the young players, especially like Balde, would take a lot of from him at this point in time, especially in the dressing room. Now, no, yeah, ball, Everton and the Arsenal game, no, there was a specific issue I was following closely. Jordan Pickford was insulting the referee.
No, did
you this year, no, almost some of them referees, and if you disrespect them, they be punished. Maybe no more punish Van Dijk.
Yes.
So catch a referee and say it's a fucking joke or
yes.
I'm fine when trying, but I had to pick it like that. Now, in this very game, Everton lose 1-0. No, you see Jordan Pickford calling the referee a prick, and then after that says he can fuck off. So, but when you watch him, I think they can have the pictures on Facebook, and then you have the footage here. You clearly see his mouth, and it's quite strange. I mean, you get it. So you see, this is the fuck off moment, and it's just fuck off. I mean, that's quite strange, but it's funny at the same time. The FA president of Morocco, FA president Portugal, FA president Spain, Omoshia, I am meeting at discussing Kwanya Ombefa so host the World Cup in 2030, and Iberian African bid together with the Maghrebian country Morocco mudi ankasa ne Maghreb no nti 3 FA presidents no Asia I meeting no they are finalizing your ebetimi esimi me be wie e America no so na enra the last Diamond League meeting on Saturday and Sunday. If any the Prefontaine Nike Classic, also Hayward Field, Oregon, United States of America. Now the records went down. Yes, I say with Emma 5,000 meters. Gudaf Chigai from Ethiopia pulled the world record. Now world record no June, and a Faith Kipiegan a world record no. Now Gudaf Chigai, Eshen Jumaseno, Kwaku. Or you're not doing say, or world record time no, with a time of 14 minutes 5.20 seconds, and you could see say or setting up so about the world record because or to the 4th fastest time in history already. And I call Budapest no 10,000 meters. Good after guy and a winning over to 5,000 no prior na 5,000 na over to no. I'm say only obinya issue kakra letensement gide at training. Ntiano na ema ni pull out, but Chegai came back and then decided to go after the deal, and then she got it so well. Ntiano was the coach Aswana good after Chegai was impressive on the day. They say 5,000 meters world record. Emma good after Chegai Nidimu now Beatrice Chibet in 82nd. She also finished with a personal best. Another world record performed with Armand Mondo Duplantis in the pole vault. Now crown and age. Any baby are warning your I mean, it's only a matter of time. So, yeah, or the pole vote never cost 6.30 meters. We say no, we reach 6.23 meters or the 5 centimeters. And the Canadian home, 1 centimeter, sorry, and the count now was 6.22. Now, here on it, Obiena, free Philippines, so we drew a pointer. Obiena caught 3 times. And Mondo Duplantis decided to go for it into the Diamond League record, world record. And then a meet record in Oregon. I mean, it was sensational for Armand Mondo Duplantis. Sanso and I could pay more mana from 200 meters. No, Sherika Jackson, and so it to a time of 21.57 seconds. Sherika intimate breaky Flojo ne world record no, but she's still pushing for it. Now 21.57 we a meet record Oregon beating Terry Bowie's 2017 record of 21.72 seconds. But Sharika Share race Nasino from start to finish. She controlled the race and she's the greatest sprinter Emano we currently have. And it's only a matter of time Sharika Jackson will lower the 200 meters world record. In the 100 meters, Osanche Shakari Richardson, they went man, you know, World Championship, no, Obeye, Prefontaine Classic, no, 100 meters, no, Otimi Eje, and also Andre de Grasse, and so we need 200 meters, and Mema de Grasse, area night in Lechile Tibogo, or the Omo to form in a time of 19.76. He was the next guy. Pra and Edi Ninya, Ama Andre de Grasse, Entimen Drew, Baby at near Peso Drew Sanso, and in the 400 meters hurdles, Emano. Fem Kabol or a world champion send ye who no or bete Shamir Little SIA in Humujuma on one Krumo US. I know a Fem Kabol has ended up winning the Diamond League meet recorder and also on the 400 meters in the Kum. They not a hupano a man 800 meters final. Ethan Mu ABT Kelly Hodgkinson Etimi Winnie and Akwaku Kelly Hodgkinson no cry on the second no or your national record. Ne personal best. Ethan Moon no free US are winning, you know. Start time out 2 year 1 minute 54.97 seconds, no. Meet record, national record, world lead, and the personal best. Samson Toby Amusan able to world lead in the 100 meters hurdles. A time of 12.33 seconds. And the winner here, Nigeria in nation say banning in Intino when Timanya enough preparations for the World Championship in Budapest. Nemo Mobahano or Mobia here say 100 meters hurdles now. Not only is she the world record holder, but for the foreseeable future, especially at the Olympics, she is going to be the person to beat. Then Christian Coleman and so Beche Noah Lars actually in the 100 meters in a time of 9.83 seconds. Ama Christian Coleman abe the world leading time in 100 meters this season. Yeko Dohano on another world champion. Emmanuel Wanyonyi also upsetting Marco Arop in the 800 meters final. Remember 1 minute 42.80 seconds. And Emmanuel Wanyonyi from Kenya, ABT Marco Arop at the winning. Then Faith Kipyegon to the fourth fastest time in the 1500 meters, a time of 3 minutes 50.72 seconds. Niye 400 meters hurdles a memano. World record holder, world champion, the greatest you've seen in recent times. Your friend Carsten Valom. On one day no be a reno. Name Rai Benjamin. I na de biodi na third second no. Oba ni Chrome US Hayfield Park no. Obeche Carsten Valom. Eye ni huajuma. To a time of 46.51 kwaku. Ne time no 2 year no. 46.39 a world lead meet record and nobody aside a Diamond League record 46.39 seconds. Now who would have thought say Rai Benjamin a bit my beche Carsten Valom and I down for ha na area no me no so assign embrace I just say omojo money but at the Prefontaine Classic it was great. Ingebretson to world record Sanso and Yavi Jeff's favorite Yavi to Asian record even though or Kenyan
Mate aboso bram na yenko anim ye pe ma kona ma kwa ko din komo akraba akwaba so baby office any ma call kama pa.
Oh, of course so I own him sir. From friendly to baby me just me could be up in the victory but
yes yeah baby call kama pa
baby call kama after we share 1-0 them she ran most me we need and
yes
and I always we 3-1 me fantastic.
We never fought 3-1 Diana still who be with
oh who and said that near we just media must do the right things and the right things will also be done for the team to qualify. That's
okay. Yankume.
Now I come here. Oh, of course. Basa the seka cracker. Me nkasa. Me try abu.
Rebetis for my holding, you know, the Rebetis for. Spell or otis you are come here. On my holding, you know, the athletic beba. Rest with your dad, Rebetis. I wish I was so last of one. I was to go. Oh, baby, this is about United. I was really shaker.
Now, a charity for but and a sad day to some extent because of the loss of Man 88. A year like this, nearly not the age, but unfortunate. Unfortunately, by then, they will count me can't be brave because Nyamina Nimnia, a Yamayina, Tiama Busia for 1 year's anniversary celebration, a year console. We always miss him, but near Baby Obia, near Neniba Genese, a Jumano, Baby Ojasi, and Yapija, more than that. That will be his joy.
Yes.
The best session in them. Come on. Now, weekend, just a quick ones. The man does what time it is. Okay, so. Sata Solar 7. Uti team here, or share a team by
Sata Solar
7. Almost as Amalek 2-0. Yeah. Now
Sata Solar 7.
Yeah, almost as Amalek 2-0.
A movie.
Djibouti.
And almost as Amalek 2-0.
Now, don't be surprised by the way I net investment about. So Usha from Jean Park Guesan, or a former SEC defender. That went there to play. And this game, he played so well as a center back, solid. Only one Kolibali, formerly AS Real Bamako. And the two of them partnered well to make sure they deny Yosef Obama, Shikabala, and Ajaziri. They denied them, Seven Jaziri denied them opportunity. Yankasa, yes, Sonny Yakuba was so instrumental. In fact, the pass that led to Ghanaian Gabriel Dazi, or Ghana ni Djibouti ni
Sompa Sports.
Ya bro, or Ghana ni Djibouti ni. Djibouti vote to Dazi that way.
Hey, or Djibouti, or I found by or no, natural Djibouti. Yes, he scored the first goal. Sonny Yakuba, Sonny Yakuba Kotoko. Yes. He was the one that gave me that wonderful pass for him to score. And clearly, Alan Traore is the captain of that. Alan Traore, don't forget Burkina Faso. Somebody that played Monaco.
Alan Traore,
yeah, it's
Solar 7, so,
captain. So you see, who fan of say Dino Solar 7, but the caliber of players there, the quality they have, it's interesting.
But about Djibouti for Romania, Skebiana, but also more leagues as a order is Zobo. Alexon Zobo,
yes,
and other players be almost would you more.
We are more trust owner or Scar. We want to invest in football. It's any investment. Sikaninu, Pesodiska. Look, Alan Traore is a top player. If you're a Necra at the age of 34, Alan Traore the ball to no ball, no fun or simple or Jana balls not pass.
Sompa Sports.
So all he has this established players so Beba, San Antonio Yakuba, so that with time, Obetimi at the Apeja team now, the younger ones, but because it's already established side. And look, don't underestimate. They played so well. And this is a star-studded Zamalek side. Oh, there's it. Now, second leg, no, the first time they qualify to the group stage.
Wow.
So they have the competition. So it's going to be very, very interesting. Now, Yanga, any miracle, very interesting game. Very, 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 very interesting game. Now, this is a miracle sider. Almost Champions League group stage. They were in the group stage. Miracle sider, who are untouchable in terms of the squad has not been almost the same. And Yanga, after losing the finals to USM, almost added some few quality, and they are going to the Champions League. And you expect Mirek with the experience at this stage, but trust me,
Sompa Sports.
Yanga played so well. In Gezena and Clement Mizeze midfield, they played almost bobo now. Look, Brian Angulo, Colombian last season ball.
Yes.
Now Angulo and Ahmed Ralph had problem dealing with the quickness, almost movement passing. Now, on the knowledge Musonda, no Simba.
Yes.
And he scored the first goal for them. And it was a quality performance from Yanga. Chese Omar Arrivi. Yes, Hafiz Konkoni Baba. He came from Clement Mezizi, 82nd minute. He's going to struggle to get the first team play, but to be playing. Fantastic job from Yanga. And clearly, Yanga will go to the group stage at the expense of break. We can't question break away too. Even the ball game or Rwanda. Once they say, "Do baby a champion a ball Rwanda crowd who still Champions League." You know what? Yeah, the game was playing Rwanda.
Sompa Sports.
Almost stadium.
Kigali Pele Stadium.
Yes.
Are there issues there now?
Oh, it's just one. Calf. Only America, because even last time, apart from Hilale Ball Stadium, Omnon Ball Stadium.
Yeah.
The requirement of stadium be meeting answer. And it's this current Dr. Piso Musumani on first side in the Diagram. Let me see. Patrick Mochepe on first side in the Diagram. Yes.
St. George. Omo match omo ne Alali bebo. Don't think Alali call Addis Ababa.
Addis, yes.
Now omo boni mi now.
Yeah,
Egypt, Cairo.
Yes, it's the quality of the requirement. Even national, who watch AFCON cry about qualifiers. Yeah, who the last two qualifiers, Morocco hosted about 14 matches.
Yes.
From Friday to yes because of that. So stadium no meeting the requirement from CAF, you will not play there.
You are
both national team and club level because of television coverage. In terms of young pop or no pitch papas, which I think is the very
Sompa Sports.
Now, interesting times ahead. One, Eto'o Sport 2 side 207 champions, N95 champions in far. Now, yeah, crazy game, red card, crazy game, end to end. Second leg, far Morocco, a bear butu. Jamal has go and separate the two of them, but a bear butu. I love that teams when they meet. Bibia won't be, and the Dean Patapa rivalries, so fans chanting, and it was fun to watch. Eto'o Sportif. I'm giving it. Not easy. Far so by a power. The military, any police because almost share BBA well attended game, but the second game because it's a 1-0 lead, and yeah, now the second leg Faber is going to be very interesting. Now, Formula 1. Minim so when you jiba minim and family Formula 1.
I defense.
Only why Singapore
Junior, yeah, defense.
Says yes, Carlos
Sompa Sports.
But it was an interesting. You see, ultimately we needed 10 consecutive victories. I mean, 14 out of 16 for Red Bull. But Bibia Oviti, I say, do baby battery kakra, and we actually from even the pole position Saturday, or the 11. I'm talking about Max Verstappen 11, and you expect this particular race or not immediately 18 crowd winning. So this really new news because Oabi Belgium last season. Now, unfortunately for him, our issue with the race principal, Christian Horner, and on the argument, he thought that car no share any strategy for this Singapore and one. Whilst he was racing, he was angry. But let me give it to Carlos Sainz. Carlos Sainz a driving top class. He hold off Lando Norris from McLaren. Any George Russell, said Nifi last lap. 10-10 and I crash barrier. And then Lewis Hamilton fourth and Lewis Hamilton bet to me about the 10. It was the last lap, so he was supposed to be third, but unfortunately, and we see it. But I must say, this way a beginning of greater competition to come. But next is Suzuka in Japan. That is where Max Verstappen go to show club because Max Anka or winning way Anka Suzuka or winning world championship. To where delay world championship no kakra, but it's a good thing for the Ferraris that they've done very well. But unfortunately for Lance Stroll, the Onya crash be Emma qualifying to Antimi and come main race no na Nyaminkwa. So the team decides ma so pra. So decides on going to the main race. Look, crashing it. There more air time. Now, because of me see first time and to the corner no, what happened was that the front wheel tire no echo ball barrier no and so the decision was that he should not
Sompa Sports.
No.
I BBA say
but the we drop pasa. But at the end of the day, it's one of those things in Formula 1 races. And unfortunately, Novak Djokovic qualified Serbia to the group stage of what he's always been praying for, a Davis Cup, so a Personia Davis Cup. No? And he's done that. It's going to be interesting. Andy Murray is qualifying England. Also, Andy Murray has won the Davis Cup for England before. But Novak want to win that illustrious trophy, at least 36. Before, because I covered two titles and not three, depending on the condition. But we saw Jima Omino, Senegal, we're crowning the entire career as a very successful and great athlete. Even if in terms of tennis, he might not be the greatest, I would still think Roger Federer will be the greatest. But in terms of Grand Slam, I'll be the most successful Grand Slam player. And he's been able to qualify to the group stage. So let's see what happens after the group stage. And you'll bet whether I'll be able to qualify the team to the
Sompa Sports.
And Andy Murray, whether he can do the double. But for me, I think that I'm tipping Nova. Some say me I'm biased Nova.
Yes.
Say until me in fast Serbia and Kotu because Serbia mine, they've not done too well when it comes to the Davis Cup. But because of what, I'm going to be hope you. I'll bet me a chance Bema. I'll bet carry the tennis mantle from where he has left off. So I'm last hope is bomb no munji or what then the breast
Mate, mebana yaba be di keep nkomo na weekend so league matches there cause every score line be on ha. No edempa. No edempa. O zatrem we ni dey news. The Suatre Brooklyn Chelsea omomo we ni news.
Because I told you that the team was struggling initial stages. Has the news. Has the news. Because it's friendlies, almost so the friendlies.
How so the news?
To me, because me expect to matter.
Some passports.
When I am the bauti tuna training no na near cop my year.
I also them at meba. I would try. Patron, we be a fine. Ma men corner New Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services. And oya bayo a branty come baby di branabra bi team na doctor ni mo transit here. I would dear moon se mo ejumani the doctor. Special was I don't know. Memano, I don't pass away a bemana, what the new Ebola, Beam Nation for the Yamisha part, Evanisa, Yane Hadrin, in our dog, Eddie did you come up Madini Cipizita. Dog na, be able to call there.
Yamiado, Mehoya now, so.
Oh, yes, Yamiado, be a come, Doctor. Doc,
yeah,
I already by the museum, my one, Yama memo, and Yenia Memano be a transit barbecue. Yeah, while they had dream partners, only baby gave Bia she get that is Kakra, no, the names are what in this one. Oh, they are now, Babity,
why you chinching bear say 100 CDs?
Yeah, they had
Guinness be a cajon.
I had you. Sir, no, Quabidi, Obico Babia, gay. Fish in a bebo January. Natina never bought Jana Paje or head is Ozia Baya. Renam, you know, Bedinam. Doc, you're wrong, Kaka. New Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services.
Dr. Nimo and Onime, she ye can't. New Scientific Clinic, a BIA, Dr. Nimo Edano, a honum dear scientist, and not Yakai, who buma ye di juma. Because Abu Ayane a hard say Obiari, Obetini sa and so na Unyanu ye,
Jane
na or the any kind of empire, or so in a yadawase. Yes, Ross Sebedi and Como any. The only any that's one number so funny that's what Breno.
Amen.
Oh, yes, to him.
Amen.
Now, Abu, the Atiane say, made me start him in common.
Some passports.
And a hard pass, Obi Betini, we are safe for Nina, a payare, Obu Ayarisa, Obu Okano Credisica, Obi so no Nisika. Na Obetiniani, a Genisika sa, na Mekase, Debia Mekase, se Obiba or Hoda went to me and Sunny Yari. Now I'm an uncle. Na one, Obe wasting the time.
Yeah, no crap.
2, ube wasting the sika. 3, ube ma yare no aye wes. Aye wes a ebia obi a ono oti wanyim no. Ohwe nipa be se mienu miensa omoso life is at risk.
Yeah, no crap.
Enti ehu nya se de bia no obi betena wanyim. Ubetimi ahwe na mani hunu so ubetimi ahwe no.
Sa pepe.
O mani hunu na kire no ba bia obekọ obenya yaresa. Because it is very important to say obehwe nipa no na no ho beto no. Untimi a pe baby obekọ na ne ho bedede ebeto no enti ni wa scientific clinic de ayaresa bia samre ayaresa bia bu manfo chini ekọ baby no ọma ọmụ bekọ a ọmụnya ha anu ye nyina ehọnom na ọmbenya anu ye na medical astarte me nkomo ni say bebre na aba me ho bebre na frɛ me because of Kesbin ninti manfo frɛ me pa na enema bia na ọmụ ka no bi na me na obedi nkomo obitimi frɛ me o say doctor me bema no entimi nsori doctor pressure bi ana diabetes me na at the end of the day me hu se me bema no ensori kra ye wo ebia wo ne kwan se obema ensori ana se bi obema na hoodi ni ma ye mfiti preko pe na ye no maduro
Ebasa ni mfitu preko pe no maduro na nhyehyɛ ne te sɛ
ye frɛ bibi sexual dysfunction.
Oh, okay.
It happens both in oba and bema ni nyina. Now one, the entire de ba no one arousal problem. Oni pa ko no bema no ensori kra.
Oh, okay.
2, obi so ho no ma or orgasm problem.
Oh, okay.
Some passports.
You say what you call aspermia.
Yeah.
Ne ho be yet say eba, ensunsuo ni ma. Ena ensuo no so betimi ayesa aba, enso so atenka no onya.
Oh, okay.
All those things ewo ho. Ena obi so wo ho no ma, ono de ani de. Oni oba na dana bema ne ti pain. Oba no so obi wo ho ono so ti pain.
Oh, okay.
Enti ni nyina ye sexual dysfunction ɛma ni nti normally wo se hunu ade a ɛyɛw ansana wo hunu obi wɔ hɔ no ma ne deɛ no ensɔre kura anase ɔde kɔ bɔ aniana abɛsne kɔ hwɛ obi wɔ hɔ no ma na ɔno maduro ɔnom ebia diabetes aduro bi ɔnom pressure aduro bi anase ɔyare bi ɛma ne no maduro enti onim sɛ no na ɛyɛ saa but normally no onom nnuro bi a me person me bobu body normally a problem about so and remember no so muntie your friend be testosterone as you age na ehwehwe mu kire say ye bia be ka ho a the rate of produce no esoti by 2%. Enti eno so na ma wunya saa atenka no anase eye ma moja etimi epeja be ma no most at times obi wo ho no ma onyini kɔ nanim no onim sa enti onim se ne performance aba from enti na ono anu no munuro ono no munuro at the end of the day na asɛ be ma no normally no se obehia me a me wo kwan a me do be fa so because what say me replace those hormones no netimi eye adwuma na me number no ebia no bi tie me already so person of me number na 0244 08 76 87 0244 08 76 87 unum diabetes adrobi unum pressure adrobi a ebetimi akofa sa ohayaba na hormonal problem enso so ebetimi a eyesa obi wo no ma onim se ebia yare bi asie woni ni peduam etina me ka cho say entie de obi kan o radio so keke na ko to obi na me no ye ni memaduro ho
okay
abuti be be
mate de okana ze ba
ye ni memaduro ho
tize o sha se na onyenya
ba ade na emma be ma no emma ayi no eyesa no problem ni wo ho
okay
you solve the problem the thing will be solved.
The who say niama bi nko ya.
Yes.
I was so hwe ma mi hu bebi a
exactly because most of the problems no mo ba I say mo ba me ho no mo bi ho no mo doctor me jun so bebre yes manya prostate cancer. Abusuafo uni what is prostate cancer?
Wow.
Enti wa no maduro wa to bi to bi wo ka mu o to bi wa no hwe prostate nan kasa no obi obisa say prostate na ye de prostate ya de a your friend is say produce what we call prostatic proteases,
okay, which
ono oba da enso na eba no coming from about 3 compartments: bobular gland, seminal vesicle, prostatic gland, and which produce the prostatic fluid. The purpose no what you say, as you age, naturally the prostate enlarges.
Oh, okay.
And that is why we call benign prostatic hyperplasia. It is non-cancerous. And say a hygiene say yakesi into prostate enlargement any problem, but it becomes a problem when it starts say the data sa vein ayina vessel na e de nsuo free kidney ni mo eba bladder ni mo no afei obo say odun so a eba kakra what you say and only your one problem of prostate. Apart from that, we have what we call prostatitis, which is caused by which is an inflammation. Sometimes a bit of infections, prostate infection, and suddenly what we call prostate cancer.
Oh, okay.
So odun so bebre, and adun so bebre, and I say obema ni mo astate eya obibi and I say sometimes uti pain bi e o wasia no ma. Oba ye woni ma ye asese bi okwa ye yensa ewura. Otunu hwe se prostate no ayedey because sometimes prostate no u feeling it said there ohune no sometimes you do sabe ye na ye the didn't to say ebo no.
Wow,
all these things are some things you should know be ansa na dey draw beka wano a
o dey aka
wano obetimi ba me ho say doctor me ne me kunu no ye ntimi nwo okay ubebusa be ma na yesi be ma no simi ye okay ma wo ba akoda ntimi ye okay
Sompa
me ka me tro ene me ka no fidie so the mere fact say wawo baako does not mean so betimi awo chena
wawo baako no.
Oh yes,
and so betimi
there are a lot of conditions that comes with it.
Wow, doc no sem to say
Abu, most of the problems that comes to my place e fa wo asem ho no betimi aka say me nsura betimi aka say almost 65 to 70% higher than free member no
sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah, we have what we call azoospermia.
Okay.
Azoospermia no or this sperm ne beba no obehwe mu no emoa no ba kokura anim
ode beba na ba kokura anim
wose ensuo na eba na enya no ne sperm no ensuo keka emoa ne tim emoa no so range from 20 million to 120 million per mil Okay. And it's imagine all the 5 mils in the buyer, you multiply the number by the 5, and you get the total ejaculate sperm say. Hey, obi wa million ya make you kura be na ba kokura nim.
Wow.
Yes.
That's na wawoda.
A lot of conditions can cause those things. A lot of conditions can cause it. It's time catch us say we yare get a place obetimi only power obetimi asa yare. If it's now we have what we call retrograde ejaculation. I think the last time on this platform now may say retrograde ejaculation most of the time some member major sperm no and money binim and I say what we have what we call oligospermia, low sperm count. But me kwa kwata se onfa ne Johnson bra no na money nyina wo Johnson nim. Yes, the bladder sphincter no unse e close Emma urine. Unse urethra ne mo na urine fa. E mo asusu na sperm ne fa. Enti ba ku close ma ba ku bie. Ba ku bie ma ba ku close. Enti e bia na sphincter no problem. There will be backflow of this semen no back into the bladder. It means access into the bladder. Enti bo say obeka chance of sperm ne beba no. Obeba kra na ye hypospermia sperm ne kitu ebi. What you say? Na emo no kra wom no kra na ebi kwa na ebi nim anase mo no wo fom. Pa obeka chance of Johnson bra no. And we have the opposite, that is called climaturia. Climaturia is when only pakrono Johnson it mean access into the prostatic gland and seminal vesicle. Means you be say just sperm no. Na for the sperm by obia so be say na Johnson abo so. It means he say Johnson are getting access in, and then eventually there will be necrospermia because bladder urine is acidic. And then the semen is alkaline. And he said, I said they could cofra alkaline definitely become more than wow. And if it's a preoccupation or peba, na oya day, oh no no keke. A man be a honma or mobile me ho. Sometimes a be a honma have tubes in the crowd block it. Wow. We have what we call varicocele. Varicocele no a yentini a beer a chichiri or cord spermatic cords no. Enti eno enye dru. Enti ope ba okoye na maame na ma yesi maame we o maba wa ma onuro gallon wuti fi a onum sisia thinking say ope ba ye mfa dru na ye de ensa
eno ye de ensa. I'm
telling you very quick, so we don't use drug
yensa na
enti obi ho no mo se me low sperm count and answer be wo
Sompa sports
obisa ne say most of the time obeba obisa ne say na ehihye mu ben ye also doctor me kura de check me pressure na ya man the dru awon
dog fa number ni bi na ye fa bi bi awon
number is 0244 08 76 87 0244 08 76 87 what the honum e bia pressure now so watch pressure abu emre ko bre na ye start wo hanum no I think say edru man dey bia obi amet na no fa the pen yes ye besua enema etimis to pressure bia siti se prekese ebi garlic those things ni nyina ye bet fa ne mako enema ewom tomatoes dey be ne wom what you say and those things ni nyina ne fa ne mako I think say me number no biem na mesa ka 0244 08 76 87 me pese uni doctor a ohwe
Sompa sports
e bia wo yare uni doctor ohwe me pese o de me ye o doctor fa me number ne fa to ho ebre hia mu bia no pa awianumre ofre me amehwe
party doc
Abu Wadaro my info location into Jabusiafo ni what scientific clinic na wuti na wosen hwe no ye wo Kumasi Atonsu Monaco Junction Juada ediko sidame mindabia doctor eye adwumanti wo ben Kumasi abetimi abana afin kran fonso Central Eastern Volta obetimi akon kran so a Accra doctor wo Thursdays, Fridays and Saturdays in kran fonso no mobetimi abana ka national so doctor ni what ni mo a utie na no pay no anase wie no oye medical scientist oye doctor ni mo a ya oye adwuma wa aban aya asabia kese ba ko no akasa nso abie ni de entu ba wonim de oye okasa nuwe jawe diwe a e we se odusu na hotowo ni what scientific clinic no ne ade ba ko edam sronko e wo Herbal Hospital se wo Ghana ha ni mina nti ba ya so ya de ma obia no eye ade ayehwe mo hu haban hodo ne niema hodo aye we aso no eye medical and a group of medical scientists no makom ho bomu a omo eye adwumanti na dro bia de ba ma wo se no no enne wo se no na udi so pepepe Kumasi Atonsu Monaco Junction and Cran so circle ye wo interchange no ase
Fotorama dem near war, Yene NS Chemist Wholesale no any Opsitana, so Busama Medo Station no more, will be able to be drew per Doctor number no I bet you so Accra. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Kumasi, Monday to Saturday, they be a Sunday in Kwani and Yejuma, the WA Scientific Clinic, number any be me 0244 087687 0244 087687 0244 087687 na yebejo so.
Mate, medase pa ye dan ye ho aba. Doc.
Halitosis.
Quick one.
Obi o ho na num sense no. Eno nko ade me ma 3 days pe so. Obi ho no ma 29 good years. Say problem ne wo ho.
To obi ba quick.
I'm telling you that one ne try de nkasa wo ho. Omo mu ni me okumase pa de me.
Mate, ene na o twe be se hia. Na ya sensua de bibti ere ho ye koba pedia kibia ewura media mam
wa hwese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante ye me chance number na so ya keke na mum o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko be bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me kire say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ye hia o be ya de say o be dial *110# netua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so
Sompa Sports. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Avieta Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now. And number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap in Jackpot. Do it. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
So betu kwai akosua de ewa amanone enda from kra top tier amana fo achechefo aye de oboye adwuma no etutu kwan esua de ewa amanone emfi bebre yebetimi abo degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate ewa US UK Australia ede amama so bebre ye nchehwe ma won ma won beso won sure sat IELTS ena to fail so person wutu kwan akosua de ewa amanone dia empa top tier kumase ye wo amakom Bank of Africa and Temuho. Friend 0260-411-847 and I say +1 646 659 5045. Accra, your Medina, Rolling Circle, Yeni CC Hagen Plaza Building, no, and a bon renimu. Medina Polyclinic, your number 020-3592-008. Takrade, your NK City, Fire Service and Chenghua. If you Kwanta Road no so, you bang Fijai School Park. Your number is 059-800-7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Yareda akradia for fry your friend of Big 4 free game pack games no edi where akradia ne tuni ni die nya den kra the number ahodwa and 930 kosi 9 impressa de biara na beka yen kunum difu ane ho wo betumi atowo abefun kratwa bia www.gamepackgames.com ana wo bebo *946# wo phone so na wo dia man akradia adwumako enali apene game pack games akradia iso wonni fie du nwotwe a wontimento akradia yi fanyansa to akradia Big 4 from Game Pack Games. More mula, more power.
Hey, esikafo wo krom wo de yi anana nsia didi hu nkomo yi en wakofa abrofu abrochira babesin in terms of fefe sa no akwa masse abrohafo 52 estate construction en ese dan kama sa no e ka no so nya hu bia o 50 52 estate construction firms in Kwan AC Woodane. Some because of Sompa. Company needing and a friend of 52 estate construction. Oh, I see. Aha. What on Sassy and your diamonds in home. And that was see a dance or tongue or some managing properties. Nature said, Upa Dayato, Upa Sasiato, and as a Upa Mukubia, I'm in modern houses. I'm when you be a tar. Mo, now, unim, we feel crowd was see a Timono. Sir, Nebrachum, now we judge the ma 52 estate construction for. That is a design in your Fabian. Mo, yes, I won't put down in a group. But so Bessia down more than one sure one casa would do fear. Wow. Now, one more 52 estate construction. Our Kisseman, Gimpa Achimata Road, for 0556 72 33 38. And the Kumasanso, page 4 and 12 Road, over 0531 52 57 97. Social media now so at 52 estates.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkwa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 next 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
All right, everybody about the rubble field. I'm going to call Sima do Roxy travel so much any in Comaca. Obey Aquaba.
You
now I'm Pomoko there.
Crystal,
a weekend is Unyani.
Weekends in a half off.
Okay.
Real Madrid, we need Kotoko, a board.
Or Real Madrid, our Kotoko.
Papa.
Eh, Yashisha. But I'm more drass.
Louisiana was a house.
A more drass. More bien is a more drass.
Okay. I could as well Moshi.
I know you crabbing in Nicobo. I must only Bishop is a more draft. I could only mammy and
Bishop. Before I dance you.
I only support to do.
And in fact, I could mean some nasi. So no am I uni and koye man into or back Ghana and so another. Now I could me Ghana, they are not the journey. Oh, it's any loose no draw. And yes, when you 1 point.
Ella Roxy, there are more than my
Roxy, yeah, me video be at dance and I dance debut.
But a tutoma de me, we need Komoka.
What's that? I don't make I we talk with evidence.
Yes.
About taxi drivers, you know, they walk away Jumana Yabona Basu, no, only Mama Roxy didn't come. It's here no one dance here, say, Necra, more next week capable. Because our production room, me sending quite chair, it's you know, if you didn't home come. Yo, Romaniano, etaso, Romaniano. Into Upese to quite Juma Romania for 4 and the pay will be by your ball price in traffic with no D.
On one shocking.
Because as I bridge, I say, would half a year 1 billion. So that's it. In your easy, sir.
Sompa Sports.
Romania, no Edmano Edaho. Ubi Opesu took on Kodi. Juma Romania, say Juma na ope, Bibia Pibia Romania, and Albania, a mano, a Mrantian in Ranso, Edmane Etaho, and a Japan. And a Venom no bidding como, Nami call at the four. Now, Nasa Walker, I say, a brand here, or prime age, Nasa went to Miamo Bra, don't blame anyone, blame yourself. It's when I say no man, and Koya, Sisao, oh, Sisao, Navi, Copisca, a Bobra. I have a driver and he said, oh no, why Jevis as I see dying. But within 6 months, we try. But when the only vision for one in the Koyajuma, I be sit down, be talk, can be, now enjoy yourself. And say, no, buy a number of war any aji. Though Timmy about Robert Nama for any Juma Gruntia, no bottom.
Yes.
Bottom, Nipper, more. The beer was as to say, as a way yarn, and yarn I are you, but what to money, Sikana Bema. To of a community, ojina ye ibotomi ye hwe ni golden watch na bɔ ne kora ene o se wo do be call lunch nti wo ya age
o pass mama akoyi
nti yanko Japan na ko akobia okay metwaso yanko Japan na ko pesika ebedi juma Poland ne the European countries na yanti ni din Roxy so do ba ko ya juma na wanya sika memfa number ni ntudwa bia na obi won kran ne mpatam wotie Sompa ana so wo hwe Sompa ope number na nkran ne mpatam ye kaswa CP opposite matters church obetimi anante akọ na ne ma Roxy akodi nkomo ana se oba fro 0244 61 32 37 ene nkran ne mpatam
sansi su bia mame
0244 61 32 37 eno no ubetimi ma Roxy edi nkomo ami di nyina obeka de dekra so akiro yentu aso ene nkran de no afi wo ye machine ni fabricator aluminum fabricator papa ni bi enye de wo ya na cheche ni bi ya
okay
ejuma power ajiman me bo state ni din wo you hon match ajiman yes brana em fa nko within 10 days one crown up as when the DP person na chia Roxy has prepare place for you to sleep there 10 days now be dino you were down on crown over them
near the age man
we are na what to call
okay
it process na start free Kumasi ya say ya na wo kon crown ukoda 10 days pepe
Sompa
ready oko ajima omo pe machine for na helpers obi wa oni ensanu juma ba no ho de bo adwuma nti wo say ne pano so no obetimi aba Roxy taxi drivers enyi mu de nda so ho brane enko ya adwuma sebia obi de wose wono de opeye kuaye so de say kua adwuma na opese wo ye de eno so no yenko sebia factory job warehouse eno no manyina e ho Kazakhstan adwuma na ensi ye Kazakhstan now obi nim say ye Arab countries there be Southeastern Europe
yes
mesi enko na koye adwuma ena New Zealand uko bonsuofo papa yenko truck drivers eni obi biara opese ye utukwan koye adwuma nko ade se opese utukwan na koye adwuma opese utukwan kwatena opese utukwan eco school open scholarship e dey eco school China Roxy di hu dwuma na yesa ka mu se yenya private jet han no opese wo dey private jet ni edi dwuma eno so bra Roxy be show
Kumasi venu no na Kumasi so number no
ye wo Asafu VIP station echi Golden Touch abanso so first floor but me afre 0557 60 73
75
Missing numbers in the B 0550 no 0557
yeah
60 73 75 I mean sisu bi na say ba ku be shame 0557 60 73
75
number ne obi agbo room sisia mami now for second line nso ye
Sompa Sports
second line no ye 0257
77
67 30 0257
77 67 30
yes
now is our footballers no still mu we mu adwumanti akonya ne san bai
omo de no number no ayenya no in fact sports woka football asema ankofo baba nti e pese yetimi azobi numbers na bai no na wi asa activate
eti sisi ara be twetwe so kakra after we mu de no akonya na be san ba
eno ya academy no but we pese wo call Belarus Dubai ni Indonesia ni say okobobo ni dia ene dia
akonya da so da
and homa o ba be Chelsea ga no pese me call ekoye trials ni bi ene dia akonya nda homa say academy ni dia ye absorb we ni wi a afi ni asa bi mo bi
Martina Bahamas nkomo no
ada ho twen
oh okay
Now what? They be always had opposite with Apostle Kwana.
And yes, sir. Say Bahamas no. A call for Frebica was a party that buy a bisa.
And it's always by agent in the. And I come here so people with you. Remarried for Nadine Como. My Barcelona for me.
A call for Fremi Tai Bisa, Bahamas on common yard, or the Basula for a bishop. Basula, I don't know what's about video, but I'm saying, oh, what's so bad, Chicago.
Oh, winning. And yes, you what gross say, and our bunko for Obajanko for you.
Oh, okay.
Then Guardian Tina, European giant, I've heard all support to be.
But you write for us, like
with them motive. It's Bahamas and that's what the whole Roxy never to cry.
Abayabate, me na next Obana or the
Sompa Sport. Yeah, said Apostle can. So there was a solid year. I said Apostle was a solid year.
Ano papa no.
Nam dia saying.
Na dia mama. Obeba no wa ye hu adwuma bibi ato am.
Pajamatias.
Ti yada sepa no. Alti mamera na me bomodi na me ram na me nin komo akra na emwa ma ne ma deda dimpa. Na weekend di orwari chima matches a oro na akoso the CAF Champions League na ano edin e papa mediama e transfer chi horoya esie bom e kamiensa momo timo ba after the game win ne buy no coach Evans Augustine Adote on win omunye no say no bomodi edin in komo ne che.
I think you know something we approach this game we got to steal the shoe. At the expense of who also share the same ambition. Looking back, the other time against Remo Stars, we struggled until we ended the game 1-0. This time round, we wanted to score massively to make the second leg a mere formality. So if you saw me against the players, that was my motive. But for Horia to come back to redeem one of the three goals, I'm not accepted. My only problem was looking at the time, if we could not score, why do we allow him a goal? That was my problem, but I'm happy for the best.
That's your lawyer come up prepared to Jaraniaji or Chesa no peso je go be said about second leg no mokwa na Chesa conquest bribia the pressure biaba ababe Thomas Kofi asthma so abomode didi nkoma akra na onya go back na after the game say no so abomode in 72 ja.
The mechanic African we insist on but and I'm motivating say send me your legitimate send me your legitimate make me aye into coaches no and I'm motivating you
and the Anusia some of the Timmy to Johnny Neboa, Mania Makwe, Jonas, Nana, and Tifo. A bombardier didn't come on a protocol head and near Rena, Wabuana to Tia Dadina after the game. Then some of the two Jasino Chichi.
I think my name's moving going forward. Mediama, give it to me, you qualify, which is possible. Because from the way I first have a young team and go now, second half, it was a 3-0. Just get to the end of the game now. Which I think, I mean, any bad results. And I wish the players will qualify and will make Ghana proud. We wish everybody well. We wish the players well that they're gonna move forward. Coming game. Guinea, I've been Guinea all the time. Guinea is where I work. I've been Guinea all this while, and I know the terrain. Well, they're very unfortunate I can't go to Guinea, but I know what I'm going to also put in place to support my team. And I know, inshallah, Nigeria are going to qualify to the group stage. Thank you.
Tiano command Johnson and Anti for about 2 year protocol head Ebwa Manema Dadin Pana 3-1 no after the match media supporters Kokukuru Ramonso no Ebo Modi Timie Didi in Koma Krania dia na see no Modi on 72 ja.
Easy but mama catch on the wire now one could dance no supporters one could dance on the support media match because what say who from pete what do na mkra
I
ebebo adwuma na aboa na nema koye pa era ma 21st clinic se menka emfa chose ne ya ye bi edu nya bia no bra na bra bra ma so ye no mbeboa na ade ba ko mo dance ne sciatica onkomo omo ye expert in sciatica no and is a what transfer ma to asinti no etwetwe ewura mo na nti obebi ama ne edin kra so be nante a 21st ababa wazi ne ehwe na ya so ano no ejana so mo laba ye bre ne dia do so na aboa manema dadi pretimi era manti no kwa laboratory services and be scan services no ye di run Friday be after work to for na massage no ye mfa mane mfa machine treatment no entimi kan more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo bo edwuma Kumasi area overseas junction omo ebe na free di obo ase council court so ko junction be nyoma crowd do me market tu nyoma sunyane enkranzani techiman bibia omo ye edwuma number di 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 nyembwa na ne mande da di so no entimi emfama na ntoto ye no so no enko kama pa Game Park Limited semenka emfa chose uyi die mumre no ena baba bedu na simple pa juma di omu di ne nkomo omu di ram no de ma no nye simple pa ne nie yes no ma bomo de etimi di Game Park games no ababa be bazi ti se ne uyusu phone tablet and computer o akonya so be che wadwen ni na say numbers no range from 0 to 9 now bomodian pick said the lucky phone ni also ne ade wo so ebomede mawa unya sika bibramu nkomo no de papa di o tablet phone computer obeko a Play Store wa don Game Park Games app no enye no nko obetimi asen romo site or www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com anampo uyusi network bi ada star 946 star 946 hash obonse beba ngawramu yo straight no wa o predict say 1 2 3 4 no ba sika bibiri buwa team ka say number 2 be PM yensa eno so ba sika bibiri wenye du mfie du nwotwe a o akonya so be run National Lottery Authority ajomo etimi da tumtu pe mula no dwete na nkasa e Game Park Limited omo game a omo de aba eno eye the Game Park Games no and is as a draw no ye twene premier nsa anopa no ye 9 o'clock am wi na 12 pm na nwume no 6 pm live on Adum TV abun se de nema esi eco nature medic semenka emfanchos ye nu pana bidwama so a onya bi na abo a ebre na asiesi na we jan na so ye papa ye di mpa heba Mr. Aba Maria ne dunya typhoid fever uyo bi a wonu ma tuntimi didi ohonam yo ya onya di mpa heba Mr. ni bi ebebo na eisa no nyina fio na dro ba ko a ebo adwuma pa eye gasto Mr. Too much oyafu yo ya musanfre wo osa je gasto Mr. no na babu zampa na ye adwuma ebebo na we jan na so baby girls no ye the menso plus Mr. na ba etimi da mamo oya oba bo so menso bunsa na e kan odwe avobo nsen shara embaye eno so akina mfio no wa ye bibia o wa no zampa nkofo ba behwe ombeko endi ozore na siesi o bibi be chiche ebe de be yakona menso plus Mr. no na ebo na waja ona so na nema akoye pera ma o hawa fa number ina ne omo eni nkomo 0248778899 0248778899 Mr. Abo Kumase Jeffrey Bo Mankesi Penaiba o Kipkus nimde ba e wotakra de nana bo ache ba wakra ne tema Ekus Pharmacy enso ashai ma nti romuna yembo na nema de da yesoro entimi efama kama pa mattress a oda so abeda so Filipano me patro Royal Foam Ghana mo mattress a ye friend Royal Foam mattress too much Sunday day asumbie wo mu me konye me machie me ya no eto etimi etwa na omogbo adwuma panti yazi non product bia beto bia ye masumye pa mada so fa adwempa etimi de babrabo pa na de tienie omogbo modi 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award no yenya gold award uze no na 20th anniversary mo 2022 ene obo maba so nya no kon 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award no yesa mo award ni omogbo modi a omo premises so no e wa so kori mampon ufiwa na ko CCC omo de ultra modern showroom biaba ore ne me wo na no edem papa ntitofa o na kokoji de open embo amane man ko yepa emfama Royal Phone Rest Assured for na mano na komodi de bia ene omo ndi 0202 271,000 efopa 0202 271,000 embo na ne man de di so entimi emfama anti-belt power Ghana Premier League no mame bobo ma di wa no result aye bo modern enye no so na abiyafo no entimi rewra mutie sha se fie da no Real Tamale United Bobako Emma Hartlepool entimi ante memenda no Great Olympics and Shebi ama bofo akwata no entimi an Shebi nanra Brekum Chelsea bo mienu ma bibiani Gold Stars entimi ante Legon City so no ebo mienu ma Karela United etimu bako enso Atreman Shebi mienu ma Bichim United so no entimi ante na Sama Teshe bako Ediana Football Club and Shebi Club ya Kumasi Asante Korokomo and Shebi Pound out of France so no entimi an Shebi match so no Ebesan to asu nyame boa ukwada Dreams FC Transform Nations FC Edi Abweni na Mediema Sporting Club Limited so no ebeba Accra Lions iti anu ye teams a ekokoko gina mo Africa no e no mo bɔ mo de no mo matches no ye edi fi ona aboa na ne man so no etimi adeda dadin party ma mekɔ na me ne ebeyafo ni nkomo Accra na ye rerera man sana maba na maba be we no etimi de fi ona aboa ma ne ma adeda ye so etimi edi ama na hyehyɛ no so no etimi adeda din kama pa so eri ama agome ana bibia abɔkɔ de
nyame adoma budia bibia adeda din
ayen hwɛ matches no na me ni bibia de be fa na
yes mediama good results Ubo Cape Coast against Horoya. I was hoping Sen Combat make it a clean sheet. But me share quite goals in the fast, but especially the last 2 goals now from set piece. And I think it's a well worked staffer. Corners no Bobiana is C player so. The last one they targeted the last post. The call last post pull out in a bar and I go try to the last post. And I think they've really done a good job on their set pieces. Conceding no conceding na more problem. Mabu Africa Hanede Uko be homa all show 2 goals and it is not difficult. Uko be fear
and
and to say himself football na evolve. So I was expecting say even with a man down can go 4 and I see Bian can go 5.
Rank Jumanesi or Ghana.
See and what's the trend na you should be 3 Okroma say near kwa we nyu zawo. You should be 3 Okroma say near kwa we are.
Na Mr. Krakuna na bojele bia na mo.
Ona na bojele bi.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Krakuna no. Ona na bojele bia no. So we are hoping say away game no they can do better. They have a very good team and I think say Omasa Chess omokwa we so mo ya de ped omokwa ya against
Remo Stars
no. It hope for the best against the West African opponents.
Some passports.
Make me mujuma ye no mo the results na but I'm not too much too so bit makako qualify or 3-1 they more kakra unless they do much more better than the omoya wahano just to secure something against Horoya maso omoba be winning game no
omoba amo the strategy na yewe
omba
be Pedro bi ni go bi no omo
omba san go concede na omunya wan bia na nkomo de kwano so na dane no dane echi omo so ba game ni bi naja and so be 3-1 so I'm hopeful say at least no media ma beti makwa ye bibi kakra bi anya sa dia 2 goal deficit there anything ya Now on to the Ghana Premier League games. Abu, some teams and new coaches, how they began the league, very important. Already RTV they can watch them. Olympics in the Bofakwa. It was 1 game. Abu no Ukrainian mean another quality no form.
Never form pa.
Quality no form. Olympics in the Bofakwa game. But my fan said Bofakwa debutants in the league after a long period of time.
Some passports.
Fresh Olympics so hot there, and the game now should not open because a away game. Where Bofakwa felt at least going to draw crana, he's going to be okay. Olympics, so at some moment in time, they felt say beginning season they fresh, on also draw results in the BFA. So it was a fair result for both parts in terms of the kind of display on what they do or park in the sono. Not a single player in the you know say this game no bet me after the season now. So fair results for both teams moving forward. Then near him. No Brokum Chelsea. And I think Brokum Chelsea, yeah, they can't come from the start of the season. And the star of the team is Steven Amankona. Wabona home what they make sure say shoes are most players be almost free team in the corner or be picking it up. Now what team abu goes there good net. And I think to start the season on such a good note after having a bad spell at Kumasi Asante Kotoko and you're bad for him cry at all. About building the confidence up, about pushing it up and making sure so bet me akon about Boama Brekum Chelsea at my form to my padefra. Go stars in your by redo. Say I will be to me share and no team.
Some passports.
Go stars will key players. Be a medical can say or Ghana Premier League no. Or Charles Kamara or Stephen Owusu Banahene. You have Ronald Moore Monsun Nam team no 10 or some beboa. Abed they out. So they felt the presence of Abed. The absence of Abed.
Although the Yaba and Ali Usaif. And I saw
Ali Usaif Abadie. But the standard
the Amazon your face.
On said the standard that Abed they go tete do call last season. When you are bringing in a player, at least also the panic team you call it that particular standard. That is the norm. It is so big, but also the Pakoni team at least we call it that standard. Abed was giving them 2 goals one game, one goals, one shekran a bad presence, you feel it within this particular team. But Bekum Chelsea and your resource, and they need to start getting someone who is going to get them the goals. Emmanuel Makuyi Ediamomo. Then Abu Dhabi Ubashare is what remind they started the season on a very good note. 2-0 at home. Omatwa a certain tradition so last season or the season no. Medica can say Omufi no. The only problem and I home we say away game
Sompa Sports.
Is what remind the only team who Koshomo last season was Accra Sufuk. Obiano team ko on Koshomo beam. So if they are supposed to maintain that particular momentum, then they work on their away game Kakrebia. I think they wouldn't struggle as much as last season, no. Almost a struggle, you know. It's also see a good result. They took the game upon themselves and making sure so the needed resource. No, Amanioma Kuye Diamomo. Krobia Kumasa Sante Kotoko Bufi. Oboti Tima, a friend or a Heart of Lions, Pandu Heart of Lions. Our Monaba League, they move fresh after a long period of time, almost so out. Now, Abu, in that particular game, the individual players be a bit Makasi or Muyomo, a bit Ziggy, Somoa. These were guys on the day you felt say they were doing something, and man of the match Nuruddin. Mundi say they were stalwart in defense for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, or making sure so they keep the opponents calm. This is just the beginning for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and I feel say they need much more creativity within the team to make sure so they meet their results. And I will fear you need home wins, and I know say pressure new coaches to say what's say and many ya yeti up him so the team will catch you. But it doesn't take away the fact that when you are playing against debutants. Like a Pando out. I'm not diminishing Pando out of Lions or a small team, but per the experience I got to in the league from last season, they by any coach, our ball league in the video, Maji league in the day. These are games are at West. Kotoko should be winning, and they should be trying their best and making sure. So at the end of the day, almost a marker results. No, when you said debutants be bringing your opportunity, but game will be. But this is Kotoko and Ababa Sports Stadium, and I have a problem with the kind of facet at Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I say Mwachiche baku be 5 and 6. The only thing that can change every single course around Kotoko is resource. As it stands, division in the I'm telling you, Abu, the division need the negativity surrounding the team. Nano e de ba. The division need anone wo Kotoko.
Sompa Sports.
Only resource can change some of these things with that.
Mate, ma Bishop Monso Emramona, member with Telpa, and from Rasadani, we call Netimi Farmer 52 SO Construction Limited. Maka, so one crana Kumase, na Opasa, and I fear Abomodi TMC 52 SO Construction Limited. A more woman on a more form on number, money or more, 8 million common and 1 and a man the year pa, 8 me and Farmer Kama, on my boy, 15 good years near to Omunya, how be ada, only or more a bomb or dear Tuncha, near Mudinkita, who a beboa, na Shishana. So etimi ediamani is ne yeze o passase atwa oni omukasa timi twa 50% the aka ne ya che watwa ne kakra credit asoso unya asase na say half plot full plot no omobo mode bonus suma 20 bags of cement ne edi ramo etimi edi emantiko na ne omo eni sa oso ne mboa na da yeso ne mramo mfama o se ne obo mode renovate fidada no mejina maye etimi era ma de ahoho aba baby so mbe ye adwuma OPBB amomada 50 USA Construction Limited be na yetimi asomu edi amom number 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525 797 0531 525 797 and 52.com and 52estate.com Facebook Instagram and pono TikTok no obobo modena when you na bwana ne madadi ama Treaty of Arc Limited Company and oye nurse doctor and pono oye midwife lab technician akwenya abase Canada UK yedo ewram ne aboa na ne madeda ye pa etimi edi ama na de man komo ne de ene so okwa oyo clinicals ni nyina no na yehwe aboa na nhihye na da ye pa etimi edi ama so benya akra also do beton bibia abeda na ndwen we sanse Trinity of Arc ho a ye beboa na de so na bamu etimi edi ama bezo kokosua de wa amanone a ye robeko footballers ne boa the sports visa etimi edi ema mo na fo wonsa no djuma za oye carpenter oye tiler also your construction worker oye driver oye farmer oye plumber na se po teacher ye robe rama mano no akoye djuma nsa no djuma mponi wa baby ti se Romania mortar ili Trinity of Arc robeko nyakwa kurom na apoa manema deda din pretimi edi amanti form number na ne omonkasa ne mbo na da so ne mramu emfama 0531 644-217 0531-644-217 at 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 now 0205 572076 0205 572076 so pomo adwa to masalachi kumasi omo nebe na brepo junction akaswa New Market Road no Fidelity Bank abanso no first floor omo ebo ejuma mane ma dadin pa so we're for Champions League you know abomodi banso back nyam watch na dia was the room of bet we need omo www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh after no you see the golden booking code no e dia age ma ko actually 100% back uramo akrike so good ne da code no e da ho fe no amfa bi nka ho enkonko ibi mfimutwa from 1 Ghana cedi de koko ramo 50 Ghana na ye diwa de bo modern return usika no etimi e mount de nya ene se wenya nye de du mfie no du wotwe eno amu ne yehwe na ya ye nhihye no na aboa na ntoto no so no adeda ye kama pa etimi e mount no ma menko na bishop mbomodi ni nkomo wemra after no na ne ma etimi ewramu ntipen perfect ni Emmanuel Apia ono na ro ni chemo National Sports Authority o maso Ashanti region ono ene director obwa manema daddy bishop di nkomo wemra abape na matwaso
enra yen nyina ekopie mu stadium a na attendance ne kama area ni was nipa 6267 na to ticket ewo ego ticket system no so na and we can say nya panyi ewo yen chen opanyi ma kwa baba Sompa radio ni TV so
oda se ni jokunia
Onama that was so say to suffer oni wajibe so now ni ebedi nkomo wadwuma ye for dem panyimfo mo NSA Ashanti mantem na obi aho ye
kami adem nbe ho ye many management minister say ye ni so de mo ye ma ye nti ye da mo nyina mo ase
opanyi nsam na emiensa na area ya jamienu no aka mo ama wa nso wachem na edika ye hu se eno attendance na wo so figure yenya ne 6267 wada ma ye no kre
message ya view na me champion for ne etfo nyina edika ye beda fans ni nyina ase ana mo radio station I think the whole week more boy chidom emma ye kan kotoko hum ye publicity no publicity work na ye intensive so na ye stress in kakra banyame adom and say ni nyina nkosi no eno ne result a ye hu ya nipa ba kakra fine na ye enti ye beda mu nyina mo se bia role play ye kopem fans ni buy now with the ticketing issue no and anytime I be ticket piano your component be my complimentary the man penny for away team ne home team no a portion room and see a year no free movie not ticket and it was around 6,277 and a toy something like that into no kwesa
Penny enra am say gate na chino na nsensem kakra e koso wadama dey na abeto opuno so na mambe na opeso otufa ho
yo that you and say the way I see a person this time round here you improve each and every time there opportunity be a winner and no management meeting then anything that you who a shortfall piano we are trying to work on it and we declare you who a worry yane kote company for akasa it's possible say I am company follow yane on be share possible and again within the week you better try so engage second company for no yane omo on penkai bia nyina no enti aseba na se be boa ye ho a e be boa ma ye be hu improvement na shortfalls be a be no expect drastically anything after 5 p.m. I be boa no 6 p.m. no na yeah what dashboard so e-ticketing platform you monitor no many people was to 2,000 and 3,000 and it was worrying and amazingly Urema your ball no hono now share nipa be mu no the complimentary can it was over 7,000 you from 2,007 and 6,277 within 1 hour now you best start ball and you start ball nipa 4,000 over 4,000 in real and abanita certainly in system now you know the moment will be our social media will be some data obi apese auto ticket at that material movement a jamming system a banisa workers na yes scanners and checkers they are helpless. Let's not forget NAC. They implementing a laudable innovation at government thereby, and we are only trying to say this is sooner you being improved on and until starting. I quite remember my call few stations where they yes fans in it. And this particular match as on Monday, I hold you to me now, not ticket but a buy a 4,000. Over 4,000 now. Adam material movement, no, be also data in Turkey. And see, a ban is a creative problem. We tried our best, say, your best share, send a bear and if I don't know, be good, your best save warm. And see, I did you are a higher balcony late buying of tickets online. The best woman say, you go to the ministry, air cutters or Mumbai, now you boosty. Data signal no until then no beba say in the regard of the ombicha ticket in intem and we about you talk to me you try sending ticket you koto company for ni say ni bi o sending company for ni kansana womu nyina aboa ama ya ba bontima fans nati you be engage koto circle company for no na if you want to so you better ba now to be na education NSA there was a PR department ni asome de me ho baji and I'm moving say tambia mo friend bia so de ni bia mi jai say mo boy to that great extent and these are the challenges you who are start here you're working on then mo no message review fans try say be avoid the temptation of chinchina or to only do kitiska na yangiska no esi say yangiska and so nipa ni be now and la asresem we dey on a lighter note obi go scan to bomb me scan it not take boot ni mo ni say opompo on fa no ngem na nipa so for scan to bomb man ni say no yangiska ho nti e ba ni say temptation so say obi en sabe ko case scan na ni to e koso nti e be hwe kwan a ye nyina ni kotoko especially circulating telephone no so be that information no be ama fans na mai so that so tani manoma no so beti na gate na no so a bope so na that congestion ne ba ni nyina ye nyina ya so ahwema na boa nti that is the summary na be ama mo
we da CP wa kasa oni koto company fo be share we kra de me how be bre na mum de me di twatwo no adama scanner ye tu sika ne board no ohun se yesi ma ne mfa ne nsa nka sika nti osan to nipa ne sika e de board no wadam enran tie nya ne stadium on say akeka no allegedly na o staff ne ba ko almost 700 cedis and more in terms of money awaje afi amanfo ge bibi sa aba wapono so
tell me if you have a koto company for no em say woma ya sign ni omo boot ni mo ne de womo be privy to why e be A or B A C ye nti no me inviting company for no mo ba atem no ye hu tani ni nyina tie na e say yo na mo so tia mo ni say yem try tie mo nti metre say anything na ye say ha no ye discuss bibia going forward the say ye and the say preventing nti any the ya the person e ba bonti
CP be new brand bebre da say to nsafre on e di nkomo na nyame adom na se nhemu ni wi a e be sa to nsafre na de also ma yet no da ma yensa ya so ate
da CP minia CP for nyina
CP pen
no ye come kokodi of the National Sports Authority o maso Mr. Emmanuel Apia ono no open part woni chemu Ashanti region or doma no boy to tie na ne ma deda din pa timi the ama top tier study abroad consults and can franchise ne akonya na ba se wa high school ko edo be ko akwa ku Roma mo ne wa kwa akoto adisua no so na ne ma da ye pa timi the ama na nkomo ni simple o grace ne ya obetimi enya scholarship be a partial be fututu ni mbobo ana ni mrika kwa na ye wo ramia non-con open bachelor's degree, master's degree, postgraduate, diploma and certificate doctorate degree programs. No, US, Canada, baby to say UK, Australia, now baby to say Austria, and in New Zealand. Near Mama Odona, Yero call Sat near chairman Confortre, HA Kama pa, and then also Echino, Ebane IELTS and Tofona, Yabwama Nesses and a graduate and a graduate student. No, ye chairman Emaquia Mono, or my lectures, no check case to Musi Bom, or dear Cho Madia, or much other base if you do what you need to adaptation ombre, ye better be faso about adapted to honor, now 110 near my dead in Pedamant in Chimubia, a craft when each Medina Law in Sec or CCA Gun Plaza, or see Medina Polyclinic, or more number in your one crime 0203 592008 0203 592008 in a Kumasi Amakum traffic light or mobile bank of Africa 0260 411847 0260 411847 Takrade Uruanichemo NKCT Fire Service or mobile with Fian Quanta Quinos on Benfica School Park 0598 007 852 0598 007 852 Naniomo Akasani Abwama Nema Dedia Ma Vodafone Zemenka and Franchos and no money to your power to your partner say the Vodafone cash special bundles and also do Mushim 5 Ghana cedi pay your amount 200 minutes a year valid for 7 days. I bet me that friend network bia star 110 hash or Ramuna Bois Nani Amadi the Dimper Timia Man. I call my Vodafone app no so ye beni a connect na bois na Vodafone cash special bundle no o dia use my Vodafone further together. Mirena ye ni koma kra na simanum na aka na apostle yerena na faruma na nyana yenye yana me fa mama frɛ for no mu ma na say
gate asemi
we all gate asemi no eye yo
first of all Roya an established club for the past 7 years group stage
Sompa
to the top side, and so Mediama compared to Horia CAF Champions League Mediama of Chom. So of course you don't expect that you have a smooth ride over them. So they say so or share 2 crowd, not share 3 crowd. That is what you expect from a team I was channel. But what is important is to make sure say who presume for the reality of the competition you are facing yourself, the standard, and then measure up to it to make sure say when your experience was going there, you'll be able to make sure say you see whatever strategy I want me up. For me, it was a very good performance. They played way more but matured game. Yes, good performance. Medium was initially inexperienced kakakra.
Yeah.
Time into
Matoro cha, minimzia baby rag game no pa. Odiane baby Alfrefi. Yeah, so one yana. Yako mina.
We are crossman in the more about to find a good channel with your former Baltimore. Now I'm sure no for that in Japan. I'm glad that could shoot you Parliament channel now. And tell us, my days are going to for anyone about to let it out and paying now. The message yes, I'm my home so say that they are back with them and then you know.
Martin Sumeda, so Tiani baby Alfrefi.
Champion Abu Dhabi.
Yes, sir.
I only have Solomon. I can't one family.
So there you go.
And nothing from us to say what you want to get. Madam, we ever get in about the power. I'm a chef at the Pajon Cancer, so and Quanta, and at the vice president, the Saladi Mamadomia. Now, and once you're more motive and the support the city, Aqua, and we do a team of Bayala President, better him that you know. You must support the team in Abbas, so may play things, you know, Mama, so almost not really and talk about the performance from the idea. Support the unity, but you know, I'm with my part because the name of the course, so data, no. And the part is the capa at the boom between the best I am, you know, I'm getting so I'm one you ticket, you know, I'm extra at the matter for now. I'm going to take data, you're looking at that, no more, a ticket next kind of for the part. I'm going to
Marty, Medal Sepa, Diana baby Alfrefi.
Hello.
Yes, I'll dini baby Alfrefi.
Japan, you free Asqua.
I upon me too.
No, what's any idea, but we're seeing in fact one idea. Now, I'm paying for me, you're careful, or to free for labor. No matter of a few free time labor, nobody much have very quality in Hawaii.
A team if you time labor.
I vote Regina.
I'll move you vote away.
I'm not going to feel vote as a very funny in Hawaii.
Mate, Medal, so Diana baby Alfrefi. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, Udini baby Alfrefi.
I have been in the front for free Amosi, Dom, Amosi.
What's for me, too?
Yeah, but I thought no have a plan for going to go find it one saying. Said now, yeah, we're free to do it. I just say, and let us say, the old home, my old religion, to do it. Now, more you listen to the bottom one that you do, right, of all common.
Mate, Medas, who did any baby Alfrefi?
But you're my baby, Safari.
Pajodi.
But you're the Kwamina.
Kwamina, and go.
But you're better like say, and referee now the Heart of Lions match, no. Also, really, no, we not on that. Yeah, attendance, na yebata, no. And better make canon.
Mate, Medas, who did any baby Alfrefi?
Yes, sir.
Robert, you go.
Let me just, I did it to me, and I would just say something. Abu, you can tell you before the Ganele guy, I got to know. This time, your position, I didn't go, what I said. And then I think the last one opened up like that, and you go, yes, you know. Then I have one, you put the look with Yano, over the table, but I say.
Martin Sumedas, for we chat on, I chat to Dini baby Alfrefi.
Last caller, we bonus now, the way people are graduate for Papa. Now, look at me or if
I looked at two coin, why?
And the girl will be a Michiano. Now, Abu, yes, half of folks and you for say, yes, some would just say, no, indicators, no, as you should do. Now, you're sure to that our people or a boxer. Now, let me know, obey you got off a ball. The Pando out of lion call relegation, now almost 2 points, they are qualified, but leaving normal call relegation. Now, left you know, meaning light, two no money call relegation. And now, go there, 3 go. Or my robot, papa.
Matia, here, my premier, we have 3 to 4. Na yaba betrase na shootout no ato asida ma yeda mu ina ase 12 pepepe news out of ne beba beto aso amam
wante unipedua ase a ote ayaresase esono se wo apomuden